survive with the face. Just to make sure money day. From my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, they can ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, they can ride the whip, I know feet. Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shit, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You are go? All the Bentley, they can ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go? All the Bentley, they can ride the whip, I know feet.
Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Morning, guys. Morning. Good morning. Who's 2SH? Good morning, YouTube. How are you doing? Mark Pillay, good morning, guys. I pray everyone is well and has a blessed day. Same to you, my brother. Charles, good morning. Alex, Chad, Alex, good morning. Llewellyn, good morning. Donovan, good morning, gents and ladies. If there are any, wish everyone has good wishes. Same to you, my brother. Balak, good morning to you, brother. The Sweat Show. Who's it? Da? How are you doing? How's everybody doing? Good on this fine Thursday? Final trading day for you guys on YouTube. Tomorrow will be MFX members only. So let's cook something up here. Bassam, good morning. How are you doing? Let me just sort this out quickly. Where's my mods at? Is my mods here today? Guys, I think today is the return of Dazzy. Welcome back. Morning. Okay, just want to close that. Did you check that building that collapsed in George? I didn't. But perfect, Bassam. I didn't. What happened? I didn't. Don't lie. Bro, that's insane. When? Yesterday? No. How many did? Shit. Alive. Bro, that's insane. Where is it? Where in Georgia? $75 people in there. Gee whiz. Were they all busy building the place? Yo, next to the municipality. Someone is going to be in big trouble. Because that is either architecture fault or somebody did some wrong calculation or measurement or something. The people cheap labor or the material. Oh, they're in so much trouble. So that goes beyond the disaster. It goes straight into who the company was, what the employment status was, the people that was involved, all that stuff. That's hectic. But our prayers goes out to them and their families. It's tough. That is tough. It's on BBC as well. Are you not from South Africa? Yeah, my cousin was on his way to hang doors there. Oh my word, what a blessing that he wasn't there. That's insane. Yo, like that's a shocker to my morning. Maybe we eat a plunder. I'm gonna make some coffee too for sure. My South African skills class also working 40 months ago. It's hectic. I'm actually like dumbstruck right now. Uncle Robs, did you hear about this? Gee whiz, that is insane. And they've been stuck there for a couple of days, you say? That is crazy. Wait, while they were stuck under. What? No, that is hectic. That is actually hectic. Wow. Okay. But anyways, guys, let's get back to this thing called Forex. let's plan our day and then get ready. That is insane. That's crazy. It's not close to your brother, then. JPY. Damn. Wild. Okay, boys and girls. First and foremost, let's have a look at GBP JPY. Vince Mins, good morning, my brother. Hope you're doing good. GBP JPY on that weekly rejecting the level of 192,500, starting to approach that QP. More than likely, it's going to tap that quarter pip. First things first, I want to go and mark out yesterday's high, because as you can see, just like yesterday's trade, the idea that came from it was that daily that was continuing higher high and higher low, right? God, bless you. So looking into this today, Terry Glenn, good morning. Looking into this today, I'm going to anticipate that we've made our top wick, we've made our bottom wick, we've grabbed the volume slash liquidity. The rebreak of yesterday's high will just initiate some long straight into QP of 195 in alignment with price just continuing its bullish momentum that it's having already, right? So that's what I'm going to anticipate over here, guys. So one thing I'm definitely going to be doing right now is marking in yesterday's high, right? Where is this? Here's the high, and I'll just also mark in the current daily low, just as a reference to say that if we do reject this area for some reason and we re-break that low, that's going to obviously signify some bearish momentum. Then dropping to my 4 hour, it is quite clear to me that where we are rejecting is a bodily, let me rather say liquidity level, because we've tested this level before. So with me understanding the level that is there, sorry guys, I'm just gonna mute you. Me understanding the level that is there, this is also me understanding why it is stalling there. So on the 4 hours is going to be as simple as is, right? You have price coming down from these lows, which is this equal level here, right? This is my level. If I look to the left, this is my level. With price now rejecting those areas, starting to drive away from the quarter pip, you can see how price is then pushed, pulled back. This was that range low, this was the range high. What did price then do during Asia? It pretty much pushed, not Asia, New York pretty much pushed. During Asia, it started to pull back, grabbing more orders at the bottom, stalling at resistance. Now, what is essentially happening here is we're just in the next range, right? So if I look at range, I've got range there, I've got another range there, and I'm also now forming a range here, which is already formed a range, okay? So today's going to be easy. It's literally just going to be buys above the highs. That's all we're going to do. We're going to play it easy. I'm not going to do anything crazy. You're going to be doing type 4s above the highs. As simple as that. It's straightforward. For me on the 4 hour, we've grabbed liquidity already, so price to start breaking the highs, I'm keen on buying. I don't need to see price come back down. However, if price does decide to come back down and stall and grab more volume, that's also okay. However, I won't be looking for type 3s here as of yet. I will just more so want to go with my structure at the moment. It's just going to make a lot more sense. But before we even get into our types of entries, let's just mark out our 4 hour supply and demand zones. So here I've got my 4 hourly supply. You can see it's going to be the same area to the left hand side. So when I take the position, preferably I would want to take it above that body. So it will mean that I'm going to have to wait. I'm going to have to enter the pair a bit later, but I don't want to take the trade. Just check this out. I don't want to take the trade. Let's say this 4 hour starts to do this. I don't want to take the trade during that move, right? And then it taps into the body on the left hand side. Can you see that? Left. And then starts rejecting back down. I don't want that. So preferably on the 30 minute, I want to get a closure outside and the entry must be above the level of 194,635. That's what I want to mark. So I want to put this as, let's say, a green line. So for me, I think that's going to be the safest play. Yeah. Got my supply. Here's my demand right here. So as you can see, I don't really have a 4-hour demand zone like solidly right now. So I'm just going to use the previous resistance, which is the new support on that 30. I'm quite happy with that. Target areas is going to be the quarter pip, and short target areas will be back down here. I'm going to explain to you why now. I actually love GJ today. So you'll see once you get to the lower time frame, it is a bit, looks like a bit of a spider web. It's a bit choppy, but it's still perfect for perfect market structure, even though it is so choppy. So let's then drop down to that hourly. I just want to see on the hourly how the candles is forming. Look, for me personally, this hourly starts to drive right now and close something like this. This will also be that 30 close in the next 15 minutes. Closure like that. I would love the wick to be something like that, to tap in there, and then I take my trade after it grabs liquidity. I take my trade around there. Then my setup looks something like that, and my stop loss is going to be 31 pips, and our target will be quarter pip for 37 pips. That would be the idea. I think that's going to be an absolutely stunning setup on GJ for price to just continue going long like this. This would be beautiful. This would really be nice. So if that comes to play, this is what you pretty much want to see on that hourly. Pretty much the same thing on that 30-minute is that closure above the level. Once you get closure above the level, you're looking for that tap in and the flip, but I'm not going to do flip entries today, and the entry has to be 194616. All in all, preferably what I'd really like to see, because of the bodies on the left hand side, I'm really going to want to see that price comes and taps into this level of 194615, and then we enter after that. Just because I feel like on this 4 hour there's going to be an issue there. There's going to be issue there. So preferably, boys, I'm going to want to see price close above. Doesn't have to be above 194616, but I would like it just to tap there and reject there a bit before I enter, because in the rebreak of that high will then initiate the idea that we've tested the area once, we've then come to grab liquidity, price should then continue driving. That will be the idea there. So we have a beautiful safe buy area up here on GJ. Where is this? Will be aggressive shorts. I'm gonna explain the shorts now as well. So we have the buy idea, right? Let's start looking at the aggressive short idea over here. Morning, guys. Good morning. There they are. Good morning. Oh, Darren's back. Jason, go read that comment on YouTube. Yeah. Okay. So we have the buy idea. I'm just gonna tweak this slightly on my 30, like that, like that. And add in this zone. I'm gonna explain to you guys why now. Because now I'll obviously discuss my possible short ideas with you, and then from there we will go to gold. Okay. So we have the buy idea. Buy ideas is simple type 4s above the highs. So yeah, just write it for you over here. Surely by now, whether you're MFX student or not, you should slowly grasp the idea of the type 4. Maybe you don't know how to execute it, but you can grasp the idea. It's straightforward. Okay. Then inside here, we're going to be having our no trade range. Oh, come on. There we go. So here's going to be the no trade range. And then one thing we need to understand now, as we look for these shorts, we kind of need to confluence build as well for the shorts. We have ample confluences for the buys. Like it's ridiculous the amount of confluences we have for the buys. So the buys will be highly anticipated. Okay. However, on the contrary, if we look to short away from this level, let's start to build ideas, start to build confluences as to what we can do. So the confluences for the type 3 aggressive shorts, which is going to come early below the previous 4 hour low. I'll explain to you why now. Okay, the idea for the type 3 aggressive shorts is that this price can pop up, tap into that level. So that level there, 194616, that would be prime. If we can get that and start to reject, it's pretty much a giveaway trade. Okay, so you pretty much have to understand this now. When you get that set up for the buys, well, I'm out of the frame. When you get that set up for the buys, right, you also need to understand that even though you're going to get that closure possibly above the 15 or above the 30, we need to understand that that can also be a liquidity grab. So when I enter this pair, it has to be above 616. Don't forget about that, right? That's going to be the condition that I want to be putting on the buys for GJ. This is why. Because we look at the previous level of 616. That's also a 4-hour liquidity level, which means that this candle can pop up like this, 4-hour candle, grab liquidity and then flip. That would be a stunning type 3 setup, because then I have price creating lows, highs, re-breaking lows, grabbing large liquidity on the left hand side, of that, and then start to reject. Then if it breaks the previous 4-hour low like this, so you've got the low, you've got the high, grabbing liquidity. If it rejects and breaks the previous low for something like this, you then have your 4-hour with a large top wick like that, and then you'll pretty much just anticipate that you'll wick fill everything on the left hand side, right? So some idea like that, that would be stunning, absolutely gorgeous. That's what I would then anticipate, and this would then be the pullback, the proper pullback, just not just a grab and go. It would be the proper pullback of the level that we just broke. So it'll be something like this, where you have resistance, you have price driving, you have price then pulling back, right? We'll then catch the pullback move. So that is how I'll get in aggressively on the sells. So as price drives now, don't get excited, okay? If we don't get a 30 or 50-minute closure above there and a re-break of the highs, it's no buys for me. Because a closure above here does not mean it's going to drive, because I've got 4-hour liquidity right there. Do you see that level? Is that making sense to you? Which means that price can literally pop into the level, grab liquidity, reject, and come down. Okay? It's not a sign that we are going to drive. The only time we are going to drive is if we get closure and the re-break of at least a 15 or 30-minute candle. Then I'll be comfortable with buys. But as of now, no. Even though the buy is what you want to do, it's straight off the bat, it's obvious, you see it. I always present these 2 scenarios, because 2 scenarios is what you're going to get. You're going to get either or. We got that yesterday as well on GJ. We got either or. I present 2 scenarios and then from there I take it. So once I then get to the 30-minute, I also identify that we have this area of liquidity right here, which is pretty much your range right now on that 30-minute. So on the 30-minute, you're pretty much ranging here. Okay, let me do that. So it's going to be very easy for me to pop out of the level, grab liquidity, then pop back in and do something like that. That would be stunning. I would love that. The conditions I'm going to put on this is it doesn't have to tap into 194616. I would like it though. However, the conditions for me personally on these shorts on GJ is that the 15, preferably 30, guys, I'm not even going to joke. I think the 30 is going to be the one I want, is that closure below the level. And then when I get that closure below the level, I need to understand that when I take my sells, it needs to be below there. Okay, I need price to pop in, flip and drive as a type 3. I really like it. I do like this scenario that I gave you guys, where price breaks actually out of 500, grabs liquidity, because remember, even though 149500 isn't going to be a QP number, it is still a psychological number. That is why people, just for reference, people that don't understand psychological numbers, so as the human being, right, what are you more likely going to be saying in vocabulary? Like, what is the numbers you're more than likely going to use? You won't say 194,487.365. You'll round it off, right? So that is a psychological number. The psychological numbers is us human beings that put, we're like almost like we round it off and we summarize it. So we need to understand that even though the markets is driven by financial institutions such as your governments, your investors, your hedge funds, your portfolio managers, your asset managers. It's also very important to understand that there too is also retail traders in this market, right? So you will get price tapping into these psychological numbers before they actually start to shift, or they'll maybe stall at those numbers because there isn't enough volume because people have taken orders off of the table. So these are things that I always take into consideration as well, is these whole numbers. Okay, so this is my idea on gold early GJ early aggressive type 3s. Okay, so for me this is going to be my aggressive sells as well. Actually, you know what, this is gonna be like this: safe sells here, aggressive sells there, because this 30-minute is gonna flip bearish once it breaks that level there. Yes sir, for sure. So once I get here, this will be a safer area to sell, but obviously we'll get the move probably before then, right? So, and this is also going to be a type 3 area. I love it. I think GJ is absolutely stunning. Oh yeah, this has a type. Did you guys wake up and choose violence this morning? What's going on? What's going on? So this is gonna be my type 3 area aggressive shorts. This will be a no trade range. This above here will be type 4 safe buys. Stunning, man. Now I've explained everything you need. The the buys above, the sells belows. I've explained everything, so it's very, very straightforward. But yeah, any questions, you guys can let me know. What do you think of the new merch, by the way? So you'll see the where is it? The old t-shirt had Millennial FX right across. This pretty much just has the badge on the left, so there's a different one. And then you've got MFX at the back as well. We also have a winter collection dropping soon, so you guys should check that out. It's pretty cool. I'll give access to that on all the MFX members. Okay, drop a 1 in the chat if you understand what I want to do on GJ. If you understand what I want to do on GJ, drop a 1. I will get to gold now for those that are asking about gold. As you can see, GJ is one of that pairs where I have to sit and break it down properly for you guys today. I think like 2 days ago I could come and just be like, okay guys, this is done, bum 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 bum. But today there's a lot more to read. The more I can read, the more I'm going to explain it. Just a quick question. I use GJ from Rwanda. So you'll see on top here, when you come to TradingView, right, and you have all these different GBP JPYs, this is just the different providers giving it to you. So what I always recommend to the guys is use the same one. You don't have to use the same one I use, but use the same one across all your charts. So I use Forex.com for all of my stuff. Also understand that each of these providers will be in different countries, so their closure times will be different. Like Rwanda's gold will close an hour before my gold on the 4 hour. Okay. Does that make sense? Who else had a question? I think someone else had a question. One, Vince, perfect. Vince, good to have you back in the Zoom, my brother. Guys, let's run up those likes actually before I do my breakdown on gold. Let's have a look at something. Yeah, we have time. Before I do my breakdown on gold, let's run up those likes. I want 20 likes. 20 likes before I do gold. 20 likes on stream before I do gold. No stress, my brother, no stress. How's that videos coming along? Are you ready for accountability tomorrow? Mods, just let me know when you're on 20 likes. I'm not going to pan on the space the whole time. So yeah, if you're here for the first time and you like that analysis or it resonates with you, do sub to the channel, road to 1000, and like the stream. We do this every day, Monday to Friday. However, Monday to Thursday is for YouTube. The Friday is for the MFX members only. So MFX members get everything. MFX members get everything. So yeah, YouTube, this is my last day with you guys until Monday again. Once again, it's been a good one, but we're gonna take a trade today. Did I miss anything? Dazzy, how are you? Dazzy's back, boys. Dazzy with the fire today. Dude, the way you analyze the high time frames is super sharp. I've been doing the same, but I have my own strategy for entries. 100%, my brother. Each to their own, but thank you for that. Tweeter and deleter, yes, ma'am. If you don't see your indicators up here on the screen, you're in the rosters. Looks great. 1-1, perfect, boys. How many? Jordan, good morning. Are you surviving, brother? Are you surviving? Oh, you sound under the weather. Sure. Perfect. 21 likes, perfect. Okay, cool. Right, guys, let's get on to gold. What are we seeing? Gold, the guys, the CPI also next week. I'm very excited for CPI. I can tell you my prediction now already for CPI. I've done my homework. But that the MFX members will know, because we trade NFP and CPI privately in the MFX member group. We have big pound news today, boys. We have big pound news today. We got unemployment claims as of for the US dollar today. Oof. Guys, there's big pound news. Pound might just sit. Is that gonna make me not trade now? Still trade. Still trade. Okay. Unemployment claims 2:30. This is gonna be, I won't say a huge one, but there's gonna be momentum here. For me, the biggest movers is NFP and CPI. I'm not really too phased with the other ones. Jolt's job openings is also a good one. But the ones that I actively trade, because I'm not a fundamental trader, I don't trade news. But the ones I actively trade is CPI and NFP. Okay, let's get into it. And that once again is a MFX exclusive thing. Can't really read much on that weekly. The daily, look, for me personally on the daily, I still feel like you are in this range, right? There's your range right there. You have price highs, lows, highs, lows, highs. I'm anticipating that. That's what I am anticipating. I do understand that daily is bullish, but I feel like we are pulling back after such a large rally to the upside. I feel like, oopsie, I feel like gold is slowly but surely pulling back. I don't think buys is on the table. But obviously I can only trade what I see, right? I can't trade what I think, and trade what I see. So let's get those areas out and involved, and then start working from there. The first thing that I need to identify is that we are in a range, and we are pretty much at range highs. So the re-break of this current daily low, I will short. What did I miss? Yeah, so that's something that I want to just note, and then I'm going to mark out my current daily low, because there is like a very small wick over there. So I personally feel like the re-break of that low is going to definitely initiate shorts. There's nothing else that I'm really too phased about, to be honest with you, on the daily. I see the sells more than anything, but obviously we need to see which levels need to be broken in order for me to get into that. So just having a look at this daily here, boys. For me, the range is giving the trade away, actually. Okay, 4-hour zones is going to be as follows. This is my daily range, high to low. The re-break of that low, we are selling. I sell you. Oh, they're stunning, man. This is stunning. Check this out. Check this out. So we have 4-hour liquidity right there. That is going to be my daily liquidity as well. Okay. There's my demand. Then I've got micro levels within that as well. Here we can see there's clearly a 4-hour level right there. Trying to measure that, it wasn't coming out. Okay, this is going to be the play for me. I'm looking for gold shorts already, I can tell you that. So I'm pretty much looking for gold shorts, and this is how it will go. Obviously I will get to my lower time frame and start to break that down a bit more, but on gold, for me personally, I just prefer the shorts, boys. I've got this whole range. Okay, now within that range I've got two micro ranges. There's another range, let's make it yellow. There's a range and there's a range. Okay, so technically we are bearish, we understand that, but if we look at how the ranges is forming, they're starting to do this, right? They're starting to have resistance, drive, pull back, drive. That's what the range is doing. So the opportunity for buys is not off the table. Okay, the only time I can short is below the current daily low. The only time I'll be able to buy is above the daily high. Because look, if I start looking for shorts anytime sooner, it's going to be in a very choppy area. For longs, it's going to be in a very choppy area. I'm short on gold. I'm very, very short on gold. Where's that iBear short? I need to put your name also in here, because we short. Because this is that range that I was speaking about, that I just highlighted, right? For me, I just feel like gold is a sell today, and everything on my technical side makes sense. Okay, let's give you buy scenarios quickly. The buy scenarios is that you have range high, range low, range 1, range 2. Okay, price is ascending at the moment. At the moment it is ascending. Okay, however, what I've identified on that 30-minute is that I'm in the range over there. So if I'm going to start trading above that, price will start to drive. Will I buy in there? No. I'm only going to buy above the daily high. It's going to make much more sense for me to get involved, because there's no choppy area to the left hand side. I've got a range on the left hand side that I'll trade low to high, LTA right there. Makes a lot of sense. So that is how I'll buy. You can see this analysis is going quicker than GJ because there's less data to read. Okay, you're pretty much going to be using your supply and demand as your giveaways today. Then if I drop down to that 30-minute, I understand the same thing. If I look to the left hand side, it is far too choppy for me to look for longs above here. It's far too choppy for me to also understand. It's not choppy. It's far too close to the quarter pip for me to even take that position. Even if this could be 100 pips, I don't know how long this is, but it's about 75 pips. It's not worth my capital risk to trade it so high also in that final third. I mentioned this yesterday. That is also another thing. So for me personally, boys, this is going to be a no trade range. I'm going to show you guys something now. This will be no trade range. For those who want to buy, if it works to your strategy, perfect. However, for me, this is going to be a no trade range. This will be safe buys on top here. It's going to be out to the range, so it's very safe. No trade range, safe buys. Over here, okay, let's get back to that. Over here is going to be aggressive shorts. Okay, I'm going to come back to this range now. Hear me out. I'm going to come back to the range. But for shorts, I just want 15 or 30-minute closure below. If anybody can identify what I want to do there, let me know in the comments. Because there's something I'm seeing, and I'm going to tell you about it just now. So for this area, you pretty much want price to close below, give you that bottom wick. We're going to be doing a type 4 because we are bearish, right? Are we bearish? Yes, we are bearish in the 30-minute. So, are we? Yeah, we are. So I will then just pretty much want price to tap in, drive, and start pushing away. As simple as that, to be dead honest with you. I need a nearby resistance also to form around that area there, like around there, so I can put my stop loss in there. Will be quite nice. Now what I was trying to explain, now I'll get to the buys just now because the buys like the last thing. So what I was trying to explain is I'm actually seeing earlier gold shorts right now as a type 3, because if you look at the range that I just mentioned, range high to range low, you've rejected that. Here's your confirmation candle right there. You have my support level right there. As price breaks below that support level, I'm going to anticipate that price can fill that area after my confirmation was just given. I would have liked to have the trade higher up, but obviously we are late. However, the trade is very valid beneath my liquidity. So let me just show you something quickly. If I look at my 30-minute, I've got this area here. So this is going to be the area that's pretty much going to be the problem for the trade. So this is going to be where I'm like, do I want to take the trade? Do I not want to take the trade? So what I want to see here is, to be dead honest with you, if it wasn't this choppy, I would have taken entry right now. However, because it is so choppy, I'm not going to take the position there. I'm going to wait for closure below there. Okay, once I get closure below there, I can then look for that flip like that. Okay, this is what I would like. This will be the this will be the aggressive side. Look, like I said, I would have been in the trade already, but this could be a problem. I could tap in here and start rejecting back up, and I don't want that. So for me, the best thing would be is to wait for closure below 23.11, wait for price to tap back in and drive with it down. Now, one thing I'm going to mention is it is in the final third, so it is a high risk position. I know that. I see it, I know it, but I'm okay with it because I'm going to range trade it. It still makes a lot of sense for me. So for me here, I've got aggressive shorts there, also aggressive shorts here because I feel like selling is a bit aggressive, but it makes sense. But this is going to be my areas, boys. The buys I don't see until there, so I'm not even going to give you a buy scenario because I don't see the buys. For me, I would like a closure below 23.11. If I can get that, the tap in, grab liquidity, and as it starts to drive, I'll short. For sure, the range itself will be about 50 pips, 47, let's say 40 pips. Stops for 30, which will be nice. That's what I want to see. All I want to see is the 30 closure. Yeah, preferably the 30 closure, not the 15. Preferably the 30 closure. Once I can get that, I can then look to sell the pair. Now, the way I can lose the trade is obviously if I look to the left-hand side. Ta-da! Area of rejection. Okay? If I look on this side, it's the same area. So I need closure outside. Do you see that none of these candles close outside? Look how when it closed outside, after it rebroke the lows, it dropped. I'm going to anticipate the same thing. No closure, no trade. No closure, no trade. You get it? Perfect. So, gold, I want sells today. I've given you the reasons and the confluences I need for me to sell it. Okay? GJ, either or. It's straightforward. I've given you the reasons and the confluences I need to take the trade. I just want to put an alert there and an alert here. Okay, I'm not going to put an alert on gold because I think I'm going to chill on gold. So GJ is the cleanest setup today. It is. It definitely is. I can tell you that now. But gold just seems like it is. It's a now trade, and I like a now trade. I like a now trade. Where is? Yeah, I'm pretty chill with that. I'm pretty chill with that. Guys, drop a 1 in the analysis if you drop a 1 in the chat if you understand the analysis and you're with me. If you have any questions, do let me know. But I'm looking for gold sales at the moment. Hi, or what is the meaning of the final third? So didn't I explain this yesterday on stream? I did. I'm not going to explain it today. I did explain this yesterday on stream, right? Put a yes in the chat if I explained the final third yesterday on stream. I did, right? For sure. I literally remember spending time on the final third. So I won't explain it today. Yes, perfect, exactly. 100%. I won't explain it today. Unfortunately, boys. Yes, twice, perfect. So where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday when I was explaining the final third? Hi, good morning from Peshawar. Good morning, brother. Good morning. Marlene Case, good morning. Aggressive shorts below 23.11. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm with you on that chat, Alex. I'm with you on that, my brother. Good morning, Miles, and everyone in the chat. Good morning to you too. Jesus. I must have missed it, Miles. Nah, you didn't miss it. I know where you are. We monged you yesterday, bro. So I definitely want to explain it again because you should be here listening. Every day is an educational day. What did I miss? Yeah, good morning. Yeah, I got that. I got that the first time. You from Peshawar? Where is that? Peshawar. Where is that? Peshawar. Oh, Pakistan. Welcome, brother. Welcome, welcome. Is it next to Punjabi? I actually don't know. Peshawar. It's Pakistan, yeah, Pakistan. It's a city, right? Yeah, it's a city. Gee whiz. Welcome, brother, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's actually not that far from Africa. Well, it looks not that far, but it's definitely far. Thanks, sir. Want to learn from you? All you gotta do is just watch the streams, brother. I share so much knowledge in the streams. If you miss it, there's nothing I can do about that. I love Pakistan. Me too. Pilot. that's what came into my head as well. Lance, good morning, brother. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. How's that videos coming? Gold. Oh, risky business. Do you understand why it's rejecting though? Perfect. Perfect, my brother. Arlene Sanchez, good morning to you too. Life is good, brother. Life is brilliant. Loving life at the moment. Really going good. But even, we gotta love life all the time. Ups and downs, you gotta love it. It's part of the journey. Watching from Uzbekistan. Where's the COD map based? No, man, don't start with the jump in the yard nonsense again. Where is it from? I think it is there. Urzikstan, it's Urzikstan. Is that it? Wait, I don't know. Is Urzikstan a place or is it just a code name? That's me too. Oh my gosh, it is actually a place. Oh no, it's a Warzone map. Never mind. That's all. Urzikstan in real life. Let's see. It is the real place. I don't lie. Yeah, it is. Close to Armenia. My brother, what's up? No. Because there's a bullish 15 there. So if the type 1 was doing like, if it was doing this towards the support. Let's just magnetize that. If it was doing this towards the support. Like this. And then broke out. Then it's a type 1. You see? But because there was that bullish closure in between there. This is gonna look very, but you understand what I'm trying to say. It's gonna look very bad, but you understand what I'm saying. No! Why is he doing this? No, it's hold on. Sorry, I'm trying to get this away. Go away. Let me see. To be honest with you, the trade is invalid. If I'm going to be dead honest with you, it's not a setup. Because you're trading the trade in liquidity. Yes, you are anticipating the price to drive and continue, but off of what sort of what is the confirmation there? Even if I pull it down there, there wasn't a confirmation for those shorts. So I think that was a grade 3, to be dead honest with you. I think you broke a rule there. So you won the trade. Yeah, but remember. Yeah, but let's say for example this was the range you're trading there, and we break this into thirds. Here we go, Vince. Here you can have your quick little learner. You break that into thirds, right? You're pretty much taking the trade in that final third. It's just right at the support level, which means it can literally tap and drive, which is high risk. So You with me? So that was that's the reason why I'm rather waiting, because every single time I tapped into the level, actually reject. The one time I did close below, well, twice, which is that one and that one, it did drop. So that's what I'm going to anticipate can happen again. Without the close, you'll understand that this is just going to be seen as liquidity, which means the price can literally tap and start flying. That's the thing with the position there. So if it's, even though it's bearish at the moment, in order for me to get a type 1, like even here, it's tough because it's in a final third of a final third, you know what I mean? Because it's in a range of ranges. A range, and then another range, and a range, right? So it's tough to even do type 1s there because it's not actually going with the trend. Remember, type 1s we need to take with price going with trend. This is consolidation at the moment, so the only way you can take positions here is actually technically a type 4, which means that it needs to close outside of the level. Once it closes outside of the level, then we can execute. But in order to just short, just because we think that price is going, what confluences did we have for the entry, you know what I mean? So that's the only thing I'm gonna con you on, and I'm gonna have to give you a grade 3 on that. I feel like it definitely was a rule that was broken, but the trade played out, yeah, but I need to learn from it. I need to know that because of what we are seeing right now, it was an invalid setup, even though the trade won. I only think the time for shorting is below 20, is once we get closure between 23.12, 23.11, around there. Once you can get closure, then we can speak a different language. Then we can talk. But until then, it's tough. With that also being said, this candle can also do this. It can open up, it can rip down. It can literally do that. But for us to get involved in the position, we need that confluences on the position. And if we get that, then we can take the trade, my brother. Long, yeah. Long. We've been in the gold's been in here 2 days. Yeah, it's been sitting here for 2 days now. But for me, the more it stalls, actually, the more data I receive, which means it's easier to trade. That's why yesterday, I think Jason and Zama took like these shorts for like 50 odd pips. For me, there wasn't enough confluences yet, but they got it. And that's something YouTube you'll notice. I'm a very conservative trader. I'll wait for a lot of my confluences to line up, and then I'll take position. Now everybody's different, which is fine. I'm a conservative trader regarding confluences, but my entry types can be a bit aggressive. Like yesterday's trade was pretty aggressive. But then you also see the pros and the cons for being aggressive regarding entry types. You can sit in drawdown because you're too aggressive, or you can get the move early because you're aggressive. Yeah, I think one thing that you need to understand is that there's no happy medium in between. You just have to find what works for you most of the time. Miles, would you have marked the 30-minute supply of the close? Which one is this one? No. This zone here, that zone there, you can remove that. It's literally putting too much clutter on your chart. You don't need that zone, because the thing is, you're marking that zone, but what for? Because you're not going to do anything there, so you might as well not have that zone and just have your 4-hour zone. You with me? That's why I've kept mine. How do I get away? That's why I've kept mine. That was GJ, eh? Yeah. That's why I've kept mine like that. Clean. For me personally, the less I have on my chart, the better. Anytime, brother. Anytime. The less I have on my chart, the better. I don't want a lot of stuff. I keep it straightforward. And for new people watching me, you'll see why. The longer you trade, the more you understand that the less clutter, the better. Less is more in these charts. How are we looking on those likes? Guys, if you're new to the channel, do hit that subscribe button, like the stream. If you're here for the first time, we trade every day, Monday to Thursday on YouTube, 8:30 GMT +2, that's London session. And then Fridays is private for MFX members. Can we get that likes up to 40? Can we get the likes up 40? Jesus. Miles, could you explain real quick on gold why that above area is no trade range? Here? Yeah, so here it's no trade range because that area is a bit too choppy for me. As you can see over there, that area is choppy. And it's very near to my QP level, which is a possible area of rejection. So that's why it's not worth the trade for me. I'll rather wait for it to break out. I can add on to that as well. It's literally at my daily resistance. Let me show you. You see that? It's literally at daily resistance. You with me? Look how many times we reject this level. So that's why above there for me is just, I'll rather wait for it to clear and then I'll get involved. Make sense? 100% my brother, I got you. I need 40 pips only. Who said that? Who removed? Why did you remove his comment, guys? I didn't even get to read it. Who's my mods are wild today? Let me read the comments. This guy comes in and says he needs 40 pips only. Do you know what I need today? Today I need a Lambo. I need a Gatsby or a chicken. No, a steak Gatsby. Masala steak Gatsby. That'll be nice from La Fiesta. And I actually need a new pair of jeans. So if you can hook up with that, but get the Lambo first, and then I will organize 40 pips for you. Yeah. Just imagine coming to a stream and be like, yo, bro, I just need 40 pips from you. Do I look like the pip dog, the pip bank? Do I look like I fought out pips? Wild. But thanks for the daily entertainment, guys. Every day I hear new things on stream. You guys are wild. Oh, he deleted his own comment? Yeah, I think he realized what he was saying. Oh, maybe he was gonna say more. Maybe he was gonna be like, nah, actually I need 100. Really, Darren? Bro, Darren is he took a day off yesterday to build up some krach here. For the purpose. For the purpose. I think when we do that's a nice one actually. I'll wear like a cap and a t-shirt that says for the purpose. That last week of trading in December. Feliz Navidad, bro. Puppers and dippers, run the likes up for USD SEC trade. We know you guys are lurking in the street. Actually, I had a sick ass conversation with Chris yesterday while I was there at the HQ, and we were just talking about like how many puppers and dippers there are and how many concurrent viewers there are. It's actually crazy. People literally just hover on YouTube to see who's taking a trade. Crazy. Okay, how about 20 pips? Like I said, brother, if you can get me a La Fiesta chicken steak, masala steak Gatsby. I want what else? What else? Does anybody want anything? Anybody want anything? Italian food? Why not, bro? So Ming Dang, yeah, just I'm gonna drop you I won't drop you my location, but Vietnam. Just send me your address and then we'll drop off 20 pips by your door. But check out, yes, and I want a K swap EK. That'll be nice. Any other requests? Okay, Vince wants a bunny chow, a burning one. Okay. Bali also wants a bunny chow. So once you get that, then we can probably get 20 pips for you, Ming Dang. What pips you want? I got watermelon pips for you. Steak Gatsby from Grilled In. Where's that? Where's that? Yellow Burger Palace is all I want. Told you, bro. Just go to Burger Palace, go to it, man. You'll sort you out. I want to quit my job. I want to quit my job. The profit share, maybe I'll be single groups. It sounds much better. Yeah, me too. I actually manged another dude yesterday that pulls up to my stream just so he can share my trades to his signal group. So share that profits here with me as well. I know exactly your name, but I won't expose you on the live today. Shame. I'm nice today. They come here to get signals. Yeah, no, 100%. No, 100%. We were literally speaking about that yesterday with the 2Gs. It's actually mad.
Oi,
What's up?
Rampe.
Goldilocks? 4 minutes to closure. Look, guys, if it just rips now, there's nothing I can do. But if we can close, retest, fall, I mean. Grill is in Galvin. See, now I don't go to that areas.
That's big, bruh. What's gonna happen if you get minus 20 pips? Who's he gonna be in RI?
Him, because he didn't bring me a burger.
What
Oh my word.
One more comment and you're out, bro.
Clearly I'm missing something, because how does Jordan know about that place and I don't? And Jordan's not even, well, he was from P. You've been to the Grilled Inn before? Oh yeah, Galvin, yeah. Nah, Darren gonna start showing the inlet soon. You know, I gave him permission to do whatever he wants today. So, be prepared, guys. You might hear some some different vocabulary. It's really sounds like it. Hi, sorry sir, can I please get 20 puffs and a bottle of Coke? Oh my god. It's so funny, I'm born in Utrecht, moved to Yelton when I've clicked with the binders. Oh, my stomach is again sore today. Off-road quad bike like Papu old quad. Who's this? Kiara, who's that? Is Paul here? Paul, are you gonna do that rally? You see that rally that they posted in the group? Are you gonna do that rally? 1 minute to closure. I think the range might be too small. Okay, 30 close below the level. Nice. Next candle, no top wick. Nice. Because what I want to see now is that price says make its bottom wick, grab liquidity and re-breaks its low. There's opportunity for sales there. One thing I'm going to tell you, it's in the final third. It's high risk. Setup is there though. Ming Dang's account. Where's that? Is that guy from the other day with the $1 account? Where's that blue?
Actually, to get $9, $10, now he's on holiday.
Oh yeah, you can say well. Buying him quarters. Nah, this is gonna be a tough one. Not gonna lie. I'm probably not gonna take this position, to be dead honest with you. I'm not gonna force it in this lower region. So for me, it's just a no trade at the moment, boys. Llewellyn's girlfriend? Yo, everybody's. Are you guys getting your girlfriends to watch me? Hectic. That's good. You want to learn? Let's go. For our bodily coming up as well. Nah, I'm good. I'm not gonna take that gold short, boys. I'm good. I'll rather wait for this level to break now. Even though this can obviously play out at the moment with no top wick and the setup not being there. I won't take the short. I was gonna make a very funny comment, but I'm not going to. There we're gonna be. I was gonna make a very funny comment. Just for entertainment purposes. Who's saying no, I'm not gonna say it. No. My girlfriend is papa watching these lives already because I watch it the whole time. That's good. That's good. Must learn, brother. You must learn. Must learn. Look, the setup would have been something like this. Would have been something like that. Okay? But I'm not gonna take the trade for 10. I'm not doing that. So for me, it's no trade. Hope you guys can understand that. Yeah, man. So for me at the moment, this range right here, once I can get out of it and get closure below, then I'll take a trade. But as it stands right now, there's nothing for me. Good. Any questions? Let me know. It's me, Miles. Okay, good. Yo, good morning. What's up, Diego? What's up? And for the MFX members that wait, let me actually just mute YouTube, sorry. You're definitely not from South Africa. Which country is that? This chair is too low. Based in the UK. Which there was another one of my students that was from the UK. Which one was that? Who was that? One of you was saying something about the UK yesterday. Oh, were you talking to me on stream yesterday? I think that's why. Oh, yeah, someone said I look like... Wait, someone asked do I have a brother in the UK? That is wild. That's like literally someone saying, oh, you from South Africa? I have a friend in Ghana. Do you know him? What? What? Doesn't make any sense. You know how far Ghana is from here to the other side of Africa. Okay, boys, so there wasn't a setup on gold for me. There's nothing on GJ. I just have this feeling GJ's gonna stall till news. Gold. Gold, we can do this. If price closes back above the range, we're gonna do a type 3, okay? Closure above the range, bottom wick like this. We're gonna be treating it like the new support, which is that level there, to type 3 it back up. Okay, that's my plan on gold at the moment. To short here, I can't do it because then I'm trading range low to range high. Yes, it's against structure, but it's going to be a type 3. What am I waiting for? Closure above the level, the hold of support. Once I get that, I'm going along. Market adaptation, guys. That's market adaptation at its finest. Okay. I'm actually gonna base it off of that. I'm actually gonna use that to my advantage now and say that, okay, look, once I can start trading above that level, I'll then use the previous area of liquidity / support to then engage upon the same movement which was to the upside. So that's what I'll do as like a what do you call it? A confluence, yeah. I am ANC. Yes. Oh, is that voice note you sent me? Okay. Profit? Yeah. Yes, that was the reason. I wasn't gonna sit in drawdown and then come back up to, let's say, 8 pips, 9 pips in profit and then go back into drawdown. I wasn't prepared for that. Not I wasn't prepared, but I wasn't prepared to allow that to happen on my account. So that's why I went to break even. I went to break even before the TP1, which was to my benefit actually, because we saw what happened, how price reacted off of that TP1. You with me? No, yeah, that's more of just a trader discretion, to be honest with you. There's not like a technical reason behind it. It's just of my experience in the markets and also what I've seen before. It's just trader discretion. I just felt like that was the perfect time to go to break even instead of allowing the position to go back into drawdown. You with me? I got you. Oh yeah, that too. Sorry, yesterday, I forget about yesterday. That's why I have to journal everything. This thing's gonna drop. If it just had a better runoff for me. This would have been entry for me. That would have been stop loss to target the current daily low. That would have been the idea. But for me, it's just not enough of a runoff. The trade makes total sense though. But yeah, that won't be my trade today. Even though it can obviously run. If anybody does take it, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. But for me, it's just not enough runoff. So I will lay low. Lay low. I will avoid the position. I'll rather just wait for the next trade. And that also is just trader's discretion once again. That's what it is. And also besides that, like, at this point, like we are way past the weekly target. So now, once again, I'm just looking for the highest probable setups to just continue getting in the pips for the rest of the week, just to add more. So now it's like your trades is just pretty much add-ons, because you've already hit weekly target on Monday already. How much pips are we up for the week? $74. We're 6 pips away from hitting next week's target as well. So yeah, that's why for me at the moment, I'm just looking for the highest probable setups, and I'll take that. It's crazy if you think about it, eh? And this is why it's so important to journal and have like your plan and what you're gonna do and your targets and stuff like that, so that it'll stop you from over trading as well. Is there anybody in the chat that's still stuck in a break-even phase? Let me know. If you're still stuck in your break-even phase, let me know. Yeah, what's up? Oh, yeah, wait. I'm stuck in a trade from yesterday? What trade is that? Grams you? Okay, we'll chat with you now. What trade are you stuck in since yesterday? That is wild. Are you a swing trader? Sure, don't. Are you a swing trader? How are you stuck in a trade from yesterday? And what trade are you stuck in since yesterday? That's wild. I remember I remember my struggles of being not struggles, but my issues of being a swing trader and having to hold positions overnight. Yo, I used to hate that. I literally used to hate that. You can't sleep because you have a position open. Even you have a stop loss, you have a TV, but like your brain just won't switch off because you have a position open. I used to hate that. That's why I don't swing trade. For some people, they can do it like awesome. I just can't. I did it for a long while and I was like, nah. Made money doing that, but the money wasn't worth it. Like, to give up my sleep? Nah, I'm good. I feel like we'll be breaking past the daily low since I'm looking for the new daily to flip bearish. Possibly, yeah. We're so close to that current daily low, we could definitely do that, brother. And that's gonna give me my confluence for when I take a position. So obviously, if we had taken that position, we would have won the trade, but I hope you guys understand why I didn't take the trade. If anybody did, there was nothing wrong with you taking the trade. I also just want to say that there was the setup, there was confluences, but for me personally, I just didn't want to get involved in such a small area. We just broke daily low. What's the time? It's a pity we're like 15 minutes away. However, this closure is going to be hourly closure as well, so hopefully it doesn't just rip. Look, whatever meets your analysis, Superfly. If it meets your analysis criteria, trust in your strategy, trust in your trade. Whatever that is, trust in it. But also don't trade what you think, trade what you see. You can't be like, I think it's gonna do this, I think it's gonna do that. You gotta have like reasons for everything. Unfortunately, this isn't the I think game. Why? Why are you saying that? Did you take it? Did you take it? Did you take a position, J, mate? Nice. It's like, you know, I know what I want, man, so it's nothing's gonna shot, man. I appreciate that, brother. I am ANC. I promise you, the more you trade, the more you build experience. It will come. I promise you. But then also you have to then be true to yourself by sticking to your plan. Not just trading because you think it's gonna happen or this and that. If it's your plan and you do that same plan over and over again, that's when it kind of like it's a second nature vibe. Very nice, mates. Well done, mates. Your stop. Why is that stop so small? Send me your we're gonna have a one-on-one. I have to tell you something, but I don't want to do it on stream. But just send me your 15-minute, 30-minute, as well as your stop loss size. I just want to see something, because there was nothing wrong with anybody taking shorts there. It's fine. Why I didn't take it is because it never met my rules. It never met my confluences. I'm not going to sell in the final third when it is so close to a liquidity zone. Especially even though there's the low there, the daily low, it's still a strong daily support. Ta-da! There's the zone. 4-hour support as well. Ta-da! There's the zone. What has happened the last few times it's done? That's rejected. It's pulled away. So for me, the best time will be below there. I want to close it because there's a 10-minute candle without a topic, so that's why I'm still holding. Okay. 12 wins, 0 loss. That's why I want to hold that win rate. You see, that's I'm gonna tell you a lesson now. So Superfly, this is like even recent with me. Okay. So this is me being humble. I'm not gassing myself up. It's literally just facts. Fortunately. Unfortunately for the people that hate on it. So I do win a lot. My win rate is high. Whether you like it or not, my win rate is high, right? So last year I think it was last year or the year before, I was on a win streak of like, Uncle Rob's helped me out. It was 18. So it was an 18 trade win streak. Am I right? It was, right? 18. Yes, it was 18. Because I beat that this year. So last year I was on an 18 trade win streak. Winner, bang, bang, proper trade. Sticking to my rules, everything just going perfect. It came to about the 16th, 17th trade. And then in my mind, I was like, yo, I wonder when I'm going to lose. Because I'm winning so much, surely I'm going to lose somewhere. And I kept on thinking that every day. It's almost like I was manifesting the loss to come. And then I'd also be like, yo, I'm a bit hesitant on taking the trade because I don't want to mess up this win streak, right? So that started playing in my head a lot. Then I lost on the 18th. No, then I lost on the 19th trade. So I won 18 times in a row last year sometime. Then I lost on the 19th trade. And what did I actually learn from that? So everything I learned from number one, take every trade as it's a new trade. Don't care about win streaks. It doesn't matter. In trading, you have to lose. Yes, it's a cool thing to say, yeah, I'm on this win streak, whatever. It's great, it's awesome, it's cool. But that's not why you're trading. You're not trading for win streak. You're trading to make money, right? Then also number two, when things go good for you, don't look for issues. That's what I did. I was like, I'm winning. I've got 18 wins in a row. When is the loss going to come? The loss must come. I was manifesting the loss to come. I learned from it though. This year I did it totally different. This year, without me realizing it, next thing now I'm on like a 10 trade win streak. This was now. It was now. You were there. YouTube was there. It was here. This was like 20. I think we were like on number 17, right? Number 10 came. I was like, I still spoke to Grobs. I told him about this scenario. I was like, you know what, I'm not going to think about it. I'm just going to trade as normal. 19 came normal. 20 came normal. Like, I just didn't make it a thing, man. I never made it a thing. And that then broke the previous record of 18 trades. And we got 23 wins in a row. No losses. So the thing that I realized in that process is, number one, don't worry about the win rate. You know that however you're supposed to trade, it's going to happen. Okay? Right now, I'm once again on a win streak of 10 trades. Do I care about it? No, I don't care about it. Because I know I'm so consistent. Look, for the year, I'm actually approaching a 90% win rate for the year, which is ridiculous. So do I make it a thing? No, I don't. In my mind, do I make it a thing? No, I don't. Do I go look for the issues? No, I don't. I literally have just, the best advice I can give you is just take every trade as per normal. If the win streak ends, it doesn't matter. My argument is this. If you are too scared to close position, it's telling you that you are too scared to take the next trade because you're holding on to this winner for so long. And that actually means that you don't trust your strategy because you're trying to squeeze the last orange juice out of that orange. That's what it's actually telling me. So that's something that I thought, let me share with you, because that's what you see that you can be trading for 7 years, you still pick up on things. That's what I picked up on last year. Win rates, the way I trade, I'm going to always have a win rate. If I go to statistics, I always win around 10 trades in a row before something happens. But I don't also make that a thing. As soon as you start making things a thing, they happen. People come into the stream where they're like, oh no, Mondays is a bad day, Fridays is a bad day. It's not. You making it a thing. Then they're like, oh no, on my journal I lose on Fridays. Why? Because you're making it a thing. You are manifesting that Fridays or Mondays is a bad day. So you will have a bad day. It's like how you speak life over yourself as well. If you tell yourself, ah man, I'm a terrible trader, I don't know how to do this or whatever, you're manifesting that over yourself. You need to speak life into your situations every single day. So even when things aren't looking that great, you are delusional enough and have faith enough to realize that, you know what, even though this is how it looks right now, it's going to be well for me. If it's part of God's plan, it's going to be well for me. So that's my advice for you on that. So don't hold on to a trade because you don't want to lose a win streak or whatever. It doesn't matter, bro. Like for me, I've also become so, look, I've been having win rates above 80% for almost 5 years now. Which means that if I take 10 trades, I'm going to win 2, I'm going to win 8, I'm going to lose 2. It's not a thing for me anymore. Like I'll meet people and I'll tell them about it, like, or they'll ask whatever, or they pop into the stream and they see the win streak and the win rate or whatever, they're like, yo, wow. For me, it's just normal. Because that is how your trading should be. Whatever it is should just be normal for you. Don't make it a thing. The moment you start putting cons and things on stuff, that's when kind of just doesn't go lacquer. Then another thing, when things start going your way, don't find so much comfort in the bad times that you aren't ready for better things to come, which happens. Say for example, you're a losing trader or break-even trader, then you come out of that shell because you've joined Millennial FX, right? I literally I've got a testimony from that. Then you join MFX and you start becoming a profitable trader. Your win rate is now 92%, which is even better than I am. We have a testimony of that. And you then become so good that you start to doubt yourself. Don't doubt yourself. You've worked hard for it. You've done years. You've done numbers. Believe in the strategy, believe in yourself, and also understand that you are also worthy of having your trading state to be a profitable one. You don't have to bask in losses the whole time. Like, your time will come for everybody. If you apply yourself and you do what you're supposed to do every single day, your time as a profitable trader will come. It will. As long as you guide it the right way, as long as you're learning the right thing and you be patient and disciplined yourself, your time will come. I think that's the thing that you have to realize in trading. It's a journey, man. So don't be scared of anything. Don't have fear. Every day is a new day. Just do it as it is. And then without you realizing it, you will be a profitable trader. It won't be a day where it's just like, wow, I'm profitable now. It's not going to be that. You're literally just going to have to take time of reflection, which is very important. You take the time of reflection, look to where you've come from, and then you're going to be like, oh my word, check this. I've done X amount of withdrawals. My journal's looking good. We're returning numbers, you know, that sort of vibe. But yeah, I hope that helps you, my brother. One trade at a time. There's no need to rush. One trade at a time. Yeah. What's up? Did Vince send me his thing yet? See, I wouldn't have gotten into that trade. Would have been very tough. Would have been very tough for me to have gotten into that position. The stop would have been around 30 pips. I would have just popped the stop above these highs over here. Anything smaller than that, you are playing games. Because then you don't trust your trade. Or you don't know how to trade. Small stops don't work. Unfortunately. Yeah. No candlestick high. Oh no, I'm taking off of this reference here. Or you can even do it there, that's fine. Probably high, candlestick high, same thing. The idea behind your trades, guys, is that you allow the market to breathe. Very important. Allow the market to breathe. Don't be stingy with your stop loss. That 1 minute time frame stop loss, that stuff. Let's, yeah. I'm gonna comment on that. Nah? You gotta let the market just do what it does, man. Yeah, exactly. So and that's also very important why you mustn't have a dollar amount that you want to lose. Because let's say, for example, Jordan, can I use you as an example? Do you mind? I'm gonna do it anyway. I love you. So yesterday you maybe had, let's say you don't want to lose more than $10, but $10 is going to be a different percentage risk according to the lot size that you use, right? So that's why I don't use a monetary value, because it will always change. So if I don't want to lose, let's say $10 on the position, or 200 or 300 or 500 or 1,000 or $5,000 on the position, whatever your account size is, rather do percentage. And if that means then that it is if it's a bit over your percentage, it's fine. Because for me personally, I used fixed lots. So if I throw 30 lots, that's going to be on any stop loss size. There's just points of management for me, which means that on certain trades I might lose slightly more percent, and I'm okay with that. I'm fine with that. Don't make it a thing where the monetary value is your trade breaker. So you guys will see, even with the challenge, and I explained that yesterday, you'll see that there is percentage involved, but it's more so just fixed based off of a lot. I stick with my fixed lots, I don't change lots, and I stick with my percentage returns every trade. So I risk, let's say 1 to 2%, and I stick with that. That makes 13 wins, still holding the other one until market tell me otherwise, but thank you for breaking every single advices to me. It means a lot. Anytime, my brother. I got you. But yeah, boys, like, this is another thing for the gents that have become now profitable traders and consistent traders. It's not over. Don't take your, like, don't relax now. It's not the time to relax. Also, don't think you've mastered it. Yes, you're profitable now, you're consistent, you're making money, great, you're doing withdrawals, alles is lekker. Don't relax. You must still continue putting in the graft. Don't break plan, because I promise you, at any moment you can fall back into the trap of being in a break-even trader. Being a profitable trader is consistently working at their craft every single day. Even for myself. Yeah, yes, you have your plan as to what you do and all that stuff, but yeah, even if you're a profitable trader, you still can mess up. And I see that, I think a perfect example is someone that does prop firm trading. Maybe they pass the challenge, they pass the evaluation, and then they get the live account and they start messing up because they maybe took a layback chill, or something like that. Every day is grind day. It's like the example I've given many times is your soccer players. If they started playing for JPY United, then they get signed by Man United, they don't just relax now. They actually have to work harder. They have to work harder. Their mental state needs to increase. They need to get better. Because as you get to the profitable stage, the next stage is then to increase capital. And if you're used to trading, let's say $10,000, wait till you start trading $100,000. Wait till you start trading a quarter mil. Wait till you start trading half a mil. It's a level up all the time. And with that being said, you have to be on your horse every day. There's no chill. That's why for me, I'm not conning everybody, but for me, I don't understand it. Nah, I do understand it. I do. But this just makes more sense for what I'm about to say. For me, all I need is one session. The more I expose my mental state to the market, the more likely my mental state can flop. Trust me on this. It's not just about placing the trade and willy-nilly trading. You don't realize, but subconsciously your mental state is affected every day. Your psychology is affected every day without you realizing it. So you need to literally give your brain a break. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever finished a trading session and you were tired? Even if you just traded for 3 hours, have you ever finished a session and you're tired? Why? Because literally you are so focused on the charts that it literally exhausts you mentally. Because that is me. After 12, I'm tired. I have to drag myself to gym. Because there is a mental strain. Whether you like it or not, that is trading. Whether you're going to learn it in your first year or 2 years down the line, you will learn it. Trust me, if you're going to be a full-time trader, you're going to learn it. Now, is that going to make you not trade? No. It's just something I can tell you about so you can be prepared for it, so you can understand that it's normal. So that is why I only do 2 pairs, I only need 10 to 20 pips a day, and I only need 1 session. The more I expose my mind to the charts, I can guarantee you the less clarification you have on taking a trade. Because look, we'll wait now, it's 10 o'clock, we haven't gotten a trade. So we'll wait, let's say 3 hours, okay? Then you take a trade for, let's say 4 minutes, right? Right, you've now, let's say you've done 3 hours on the chart. Bro, which means for 3 hours straight, you were focused, like you were locked in. Trust, that will affect your mental state. Mark my words now. If you don't believe me now, come back a year later, come comment on the stream and tell me. Okay, I feel like so Miles, when you came from 2 digits, as you achieve the next level, like additional 3, 4, 5, 6 digits, what kept you pushing the money aside, goals, freedom, passion? Again, did you at some stage get greedy along those extra digits? I actually never got greedy. Like, you can, again, let you ask my mates, like, I don't go mad. I don't go mad. Because I have a longer term vision. For me, it's not about making money for now, it's about creating generational wealth. Generational wealth is not to get excited for 3, 4, 5 or even 6 figures. That's not gonna change my generations to come. So it's gonna be difficult in the beginning, it's gonna take time in the beginning, but if I start having that mindset from the beginning, which I have, as time goes on, the vision becomes clearer. So that's what keeps me pushing every day. Is that I'm not doing this for a Lambo, I'm doing this for generational wealth. It's not a material thing that I'm wanting, or a monetary number that I want. It's for the fact that when I leave this earth, I've made a difference in my family, in my community, that I know my purpose was fulfilled. So that's what keeps me pushing every day. It's nothing to do with, oh, look at the cool car. I really don't care. I'm a car dude, but that's not a measure of success or anything like that. I don't care. For me, it's way more than that. For sure, 100%. Look, at the end of the day, you must love what you do as well. You must have a passion for it, and not everybody's calling is the same. Yes, you can use trading as a byproduct to maybe fund that calling, but it's not. Everybody's isn't the same. That's just how I see it. 100%. Then you get chopped up like this by wars and just make it worse. Really? I totally agree. Then you jump onto wars and Owens just start to kill you. Here's that gold idea that's starting to pan out now. 50-minute closure above the level. I'll be looking for longs. The more I wait, the more my edge rises, the more setup comes to me. Watch me get a banger trade today. Ming Dang's account. Nah, it'll just be a nearby support level, something like this, something like that. Yeah, for sure. Can I run to the bathroom, guys? But let me just answer this question. Tech. Bro, working night shift and learning charts on daily is taking a toll on me, but I know it's for the best in my future, for sure. I think you and Jordan can be best bros. There's a time for everything. Time for sacrifice. There's a time for there's a season for everything as well. So in that season where you are in, just understand what God is trying to teach you. That's all you gotta do. Don't be upset with your season or impatient or whatever. Yes, it's normal, it's human to feel like that, but just ask God what is He trying to teach you in that time. I hope you take it there. What? I hope you take it there. What do you mean? Generational wealth? There's no hope there. It's gonna happen. I can tell you that. Even like now where I'm in my trading career, it wasn't hope. I knew I'm going to be a 6-figure trader. I knew this is the business I would run. I knew it. I manifested it, and here we are. There's no hope. It's only faith in the Lord. That's all it is. My bro, Fendi Puma gang. Welcome, brother. What's up? Quick question, if you're getting golfing on the 15 and 30-minute candle on gold, will there be possible type 2? It's going to be a type 3 because gold at the moment is bearish, right? So we're going to anticipate the flip of that. Not the flip, but pretty much the counter trend of that in alignment with understanding that you are in the 4-hour demand and supply area. So the rejection of these lows of here, closure above the level, will initiate some long positions for me. For sure. I just want us to get back above. Once we can get back above, I think I'm gonna be ready to pull some triggers. Sia, what's up, bro? Sia from the gym yesterday. Is that the one? What's up? Guys, I'm just gonna run to the bathroom. I won't be long. Any questions, let me know in the comments, and yeah, I'll get back to you ASAP. Okay, boys, we are seeing price start to push. We're getting that push. We're getting that push. 15 closure above. We know what the time is. We know what time it is. Now stops. I don't have a stop loss yet. That's what I need to wait on. Where's my mic on? Here it is. Guys in the Zoom, are you guys good? Any questions on Zoom? But while we wait, boys, subscribe to the channel, like the stream. Jose Lugo, what's up? No questions, good, perfect, 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 perfect. Does everybody understand what I want to do as a type 3 on gold? Preferably the 30-minute closure. But if I can get that 15 to close above, like this, right? The next candle to tap in, grab liquidity and flip, I look for longs. Okay. What is CDL? Current daily low. That is your current daily low, my brother. For me now, gold should drive. We've tapped in, we broke the current daily low again to re-break and start driving up. I think it's buy time. It's just, I have to be patient to get the best entry. So now, yeah, this quickly. Any questions, let me know, guys. Do you have the closure ideally above 23.4, 23.13? 23.13. I think that will be the closure I really want. Nothing must supply. Yeah, 23.13. Unit. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Hey bro, what time frame are you looking at? It will be like the 15 or 30. At the moment, not the 15, it has to be 30 minutes. Which broker do you have on your trading view? This one is Forex.com, but I don't use them. The broker that I use is in my description. So the link to my course is there, which is my mentorship. So it's not just a course, it's a mentorship program. I teach how to trade A to Z. And then the other link is the broker that I use, and the other link is to the Millennial FX business page. Can you look at 23.12 and 15 level? My brother? I can hear you. Yeah. Yeah, but remember, the 5 minutes is only used for execution, not analysis. 15 and up. 15 and up, yeah. The 5 minutes is only used as areas that we can use as stop loss and areas of execution. Because you don't have enough data on the 1 minute, you don't have enough data on the 5 minute. Remember, in this 15-minute candle, you can get 15 1 minutes that tell you a whole different story. That's why focusing on higher time frame is so important for me. And that's why, even though I'm a day trader, I focus on my high time frame because it paints a bigger picture. The higher the time frame, the better the picture is painted. So for those that trade on like 1 minute and that stuff, if they do it and it wins for them, awesome for them. But that's mull. That's madness. That's madness. You need to understand what's happening overall on the pair. If you're a scalper, it's a different story. But I mean, as a day trader, where you do anticipate the larger moves also, you want that overall view. This 50-minute is now pushing with no bottom wick. Nothing I can do until 10:30. But the idea makes sense. Does anybody not understand what I want to do? For sure, see, I got you, bro. DS, no problem. The shot for the links, Jordan. Yo, those are my links there, guys. For all you need, it's in the description. But Jordan just popped it there as well. As Adina, I don't really understand the question, to be dead honest with you. Because I can look at the 15 level. What must I do when I look at it? No, I think it's just maybe the English, man. English isn't so lacquer. So I need to be understanding for people's English. Yeah, like it's understandable. I mean, we're all from different countries. People don't use English just because it's who I am. It's just who I am. I'm gonna. Yeah, exactly. I'm just that. Yeah, yeah. I'm just that type of person, and I will make the best out of every situation. Can I open long position? You can, but I don't know if you want to. I don't know what you can do.
All of a sudden, as people, they just come out of nowhere.
Because they know I'm gonna take a trade soon, so the mentors are telling their people.
Other people are ending their stream and they come here because it's like the only one left in this time. All the other streamers really off, but I'm sure they come to us.
While you're here, sub to the channel, pop a like on the stream. Hey Miles, do HFM have commission on gold with raw spread accounts? What? Yes, yeah. Any zero spread account will have commission. Cheers, George. So the account I use with HFM is their zero spread account. It's almost like your raw ECN account. It's just, yeah, it's the same. It's just worded different. So instead of high spread, there is commission charges. Don't choose violence today, but I'm telling you, this guy, he's been practicing in the gym. Show us how you're gonna put your camera on. Show us how you're gonna do the uppercut, Darren. Huh? Show us there. Let's see. 10 minutes left for closure above the level. The stop loss, you see, the longer it stalls here, the better it's going to be, because I want candles to do a bearish and a bullish. That will give me the 30 close, and there will be a 5-minute support there. You see how I don't use 5 minutes for execution, I use it to understand structure. Okay, it's because on Blueberry markets don't have commission on gold with zero spread accounts, but was... Nah, there will, if it's a zero spread account, there will be commission. There's no ways there's no spread and no commission. Just double check on that. There's no broker in the world that has nothing on nothing. That if it's like that, that means you are B-booked, my brother. Which means that they are taking trades for against you. You know what? You know what B booking and A booking is, right? Just asking. That means your trades is not going into the A book. The rest of the world don't use sarcasm like we do. I'm always in the shit I never understood you. It's okay. It's okay, Uncle Robs. We understand you. How's this, fellas? New to the stream. Watch the older ones. Solid. Thank you, my brother. I appreciate that. Drop a sub, drop a like. We do this every day, Monday to Thursday on YouTube. And then Fridays is private for MFX members. Yeah, I don't think Laurent is on the right track there. No, I don't know. I'll double check, but I don't think so. Because remember, US and Canada is different. I don't believe that. You're telling me? Nah, I don't believe that. Oh, so you a stream hopper? You watch Don Vo and me? I found you, bro. Hold on, let me just check. Yeah, it's zero commission, but he pays swap. There's no ways a broker will charge you nothing. Yep. No, there's commission as well. No, just go double check. There's commission as well. $5,600 in commission. Come on now. You telling me a broker's not going to charge you nothing? Come on now. Yeah, come on guys. We're big now. It's impossible. Brokers, you're either going to get spread, swap charges, or commission. There's no ways a broker's going to do everything for free. Why is my... Swap is the difference between the bid and the ask price. Spread is the difference between the bid and the ask price. Swap is your exotic spread charges. But yo, go to Baby Pips. It'll tell you all about that. Babypips.com. Won't tell you how to trade, but it'll tell you all about that. This camera's okay. No commission, but yeah. But look, you're still getting charged either way. The reason why I prefer commission is because then I can get the exact price that I click on. When there is spread, you don't get that. You'll be slipped about whatever the spread is, 1.4 pips or 2 pips, whatever. Even on my account where there's no spread, there is spread. Don't be fooled. Like on my gold, I think it's 0.3 pips of spread, but they charge me commission. Don't be fooled, my guys. Don't be fooled. You think the broker's gonna let you trade on their platform for free? And even if so, double check if you're A booked or B booked. If you don't know what A booking and B booking is, Jordan, share that link. Join the MFX course. I'll teach you. No, I used it. Like a few years ago when I started. Okay. Nah, it's no stress. Now I'm just trying to inform you guys correctly. Okay, I'm gonna make myself subscriber 677. Are we on 677 already? Damn, almost 700 subs, bro. You come across as a nice personality. I come across as a nice personality. Listen, remember that other brother was like, where he was being for Makarach with his subs. Yeah. Nigga, we don't need your ass. Like and sub. What? Like and sub done and dusted. Just to confirm, when you speak of type 1 to 4, is the intraday setups you're referring to? Yeah, so my type 1 to 4 is the setups I'll use to actually take the trades. Yeah. Chick, I'm trying to look at Christian's comment. You see the profile picture? Is that not CJ from San Andreas? Is that not CJ? I'm trying to see it. It is, bro. I'm looking at it the whole time like, wait, man. Oh shit, here we go again. That's that profile picture. My brother, yo, for the like a date you to my brother. Oh, Desi. Cryptic Czar in the house. But thanks for the like. Thanks for the sub. Coming up to the 30-minute closure, still nothing for me, guys. The stream will end at 12 today, latest. Yeah, I think, or latest half 12 maybe. I don't know. I think 12. I'll call it 12. While we wait for setup. I just have a 1 o'clock appointment. But either way, the stream times is normally 8:30 till about 11:30. That's normally our stream times. I think GJ might range until 1 o'clock because you got 1 o'clock pound news. So you got, yeah, probably gonna be. And you got 1:30 speech. Oh, now there's gonna be volume for New York with GJ for sure. For sure. Question: does that make you go and trade London, New York? No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Stick to your rules. Stick to your sessions. In the chat, is there anybody that trades 2 sessions? Just want to know out of curiosity, or more. If you trade London and New York, put a 1 in the chat. Type 1 to 4 M's and W's Steve Morrow. What is that?
I told you about Max, the streamer for Brad David. Remember I told you about stop loss Max that the M&W platform?
Yeah.
Same power. It's like a double top, double bottom.
No, I don't know. That's yeah. Nah, M's and W's is absolute horseshit.
Well, those brothers confused. See how he gets confused by other people, then they come here and ask questions. Fuck yourself up by that.
Hey, my man. That's why and I'm not even, bro, you don't even have to stay on my stream. Just go find the stream, that you'll follow and trade alongside them. The moment you hop to different mentors and different streams is the moment you're gonna mess with your mind. Promise you. Because now you're learning 10 different strategies. That's why when people join my course and they have another mentor, I'd rather tell them, look here, my man, leave. I don't need your $47. Trust me. Go block with that, bruh. Because I'm not going to waste my time trying to teach you how to trade, but you still go there and learn how not to trade. So the same thing for stream watchers as well. If you watch many streams, rather just go watch the other stream. So you're not wasting all of our time. Because at the end of the day, you are only jeopardizing yourself. For me, you're benefiting me because I get more views. But that's not the point for me. The point is to change people's lives. And the more you expose yourself to learning many different things, you're wasting your own time. You are just wasting your own time. And I couldn't care. You see, for the people that stayed once, are you profitable yet? And be honest, not profitable for a month. Are you profitable for a year or more by trading 2 sessions? Question: if you trade London and New York, are you at least profitable for a year? Let me hear. If you trade either or, that's fine. But if you trade 2 sessions for more than a year, Trizzy FN, I don't believe you. Not even gonna lie. Because if you're profitable, you wouldn't be watching my stream. On message. Where's Jordan? Not yet, eh? That's what? Tokyo session. Now, boys, the best advice I can give you a full-time trader and you think you're profitable for more than a year, take 1 session, focus on that. If it comes to a point where you don't find a trade in London or whatever, then you can maybe dabble into 2 sessions. But to trade 2 sessions every day, let's talk again after 5 years. So I don't believe anybody that says they're profitable by trading 2 sessions every day. I don't believe it. If you are, I don't even know how your mental state is. Depends on my schedule for the day. That's also fine. Either London or New York, depending on work schedule. That's also fine. Same shatter. That's also fine. I trade all the sessions, even when I'm at work. Manager comes in, watch with me. That's not fine. That's bad. Azadine, I'm profitable, but my emotions controlling me. Sometimes I take too many trades at once. Any advice? I literally asked the question, and that will solve the problem. If you are taking too much trades, you're already on the market too much. Trust me. I'm on the charts 3 hours a day at max. At max, I trade 1 session. The thing about trading is, the more, like, sometimes you have to dumb it down. For real. It's like if you're on a diet, to help yourself not cheat on your eating plan, what's the best thing to do? Don't buy chocolates and leave them in the cupboard, because that temptation will be there only every day. You know what I mean? Same thing with trading. If you're over trading, don't sit in front of the charts the whole time. Don't overexpose yourself to the charts the whole time. That's the first step, and I think that will solve it all. Where's this? Only trade NAS, NY during Lana trade you. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Then this is my other question for you. What is your reason for? There's a question for everybody, because this is something that, this is my understanding of it. Okay, so some people will trade indices in the afternoon because they want to make more money. Nah, that's maybe their redundancy or their plan. They're thinking that, okay, I'll trade gold and GG in the morning, then I'll come back and you can trade US 30 and NASDAQ because I want to make more money, because apparently those trades make me more money. That's maybe the idea. Is that your idea? Because if that is your idea, to me, I think you're wrong. Reason being, if you want to make more money, just trade larger on your currency pairs. As simple as that. As simple as that. Diet soda? Yeah, I do diet. That's actually a plan. I think I need some. I think I need some. Pink link. What is pink? Oh, pin link. Pin link to what? Oh, pin link. If you want to make more money, become a housewife. True. True. Girls have it easy, bro. Guys, you have to work hard here. Geez, 680 subs. They're like 20 subs just the stream alone. You guys are beasts, man. Yeah, oh. And that's the thing, bruh. People on stream couple feeling so quick. Oh, here we go. Girls don't want your money. Oh, guys, I didn't mean it like that. What justice? Oh, my word. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Fuck's sakes. People on stream are wild, bro. Girls don't want your money. Hey man, I could say something, but it's gonna start a war in the comments. It's gonna start a war. Oh yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Start the. No, I'm not starting the war. We're here to trade, not to fight about woman equality and stuff like that. Whoa, guys, no fighting today. Next time I have a woman protest outside my door. Darren, no man. Stop it. It's most an opinion. Yeah, it's an opinion. But have you seen how wild YouTube is? It's an opinion. I don't smaak to vent. I don't know if my krag is low today, man. I didn't eat properly yesterday, so I'm low today. I'm low. But it's fine. I've got backup here. Darren's gonna sort out everything. Dazzy understands the opposite of peace. Yes. You see that video is like, I don't want peace. I want problems. Always. That's Darren. That's Darren. This bro of mine, hey man, he will. He literally took a day off so he can come back full of energy to waste everybody nonsense. Yeah, but on the real though, like I'm full on women independence and what. For the guys, like, moet hard werk, man. Must work hard. Could this be a type 1 execution? No, this can be a type 4 closure. About 15 engulfing would be, mwah. If we can get a setup like this where price can close above there, brilliant. That will be a 15 engulfing. I then have a point of reference for stops. Something like that, and we'll target the highs. Stunning. Because now I've got resistance. I need closure above the resistance. Can I put it on this 15 or the next 15, whatever? Doesn't matter. My wife makes her own money, but still chows mine. I need your input now. Look, I'm old school. I still feel like the man must be the breadwinner, and he must take care of his family. I'm old school like that. But it's good if your wife is empowered. It's very good. Like, even if you have a housewife, you can still then help her, like, maybe start her own business, whatever. Yeah, that's how I believe. Like, you can have a housewife, but you must still have, like, you can help her start a business, whatever, so that she can also have her own capital, so she isn't reliant on you. Even though you're going to be the provider, I'm sure it will be nice for her to have her own capital. So you empower her. So if you're a Forex trader, teach her how to trade Forex. Something like that. I'll be back shortly, boys. What's it for? Gold, Jordan? Jordan, yeah. This gold for. Check. I see. Okay. Yeah, I see. I see. For me, I just want to see a closure above that I can say that's fine. Because you see to the left hand side, you see that wicks that can act as resistance. So I want price to close above and then we should be fine. But until then, I think just hang 10 on that. So that's what I'm waiting for right now. Is pretty much the closure above the level. Even if the closure happens somewhere around there, that's fine. It's just when I take the trade, it needs to be above all of that. Preferably the closure above. That would be brilliant, man. Then these buys is stunning, man. That's gonna be the rebreak of that previous high. So you anticipate candle sticking that to me to drive. Targets will be 23, 14, 17. This will be targeted body there. Yeah, definitely. 2 minutes. Can we get closure? Let's see. Does coffee genuinely help you people? Like, is that a thing? Or is it more for the taste? Yeah, I think I was like that, but now that I don't drink coffee, I had like a... When did I have a cup of coffee? And I actually had like... I don't know, I felt really weird, man. So... collagen in my coffee. Yeah, it's gonna work. 23, 14, 74. You haven't had coffee in 2 weeks? Sure. I haven't had coffee since 2019. No, I'm lying. I had that coffee. Remember that one discussion we had on the live, and it was Jason? Then I had coffee, and then I felt very weird, bro. But I think it was a mental thing, man. My mind was telling me weird stuff. That was definitely my mind. But I'm just not a coffee dude. I used to be as a lighty, but not anymore. Look, that isn't the closure above, but I am quite happy with this close if we start to break the level 23, 13, 67 in anticipation that as this 30 breaks that previous high, it will continue driving. However, the more it stalls, like I said, the better. The more it stalls, the better. But for me, where's that wick? Okay. That's going to be stopped for me, 32. The more it stalls, the better. But entry for me is going to be around there, 23, 13, 67.
Sorry, your stop was
32 pips. Gonna bounce some miles. We'll join later. If stream will be on after 12. I hope it's not gonna be on after 12. But Vince, keep well. I'll check you tomorrow, my brother. Get ready with that journal. No, you don't need a journal this week. No, it's fine. You get first week's grace. Five-minute break, retest, grab liquidity for price to re-break that. Yeah, for sure. Only way I can lose is if this resistance holds. But this is pretty much where I want that entry, guys. Let me just remove this and make this, let's say, pairs. Why didn't it change? Sure, no stress. 80 viewers on YouTube. Let's run up those likes, boys. Where we at? If you are new to the channel, sub. and like the stream. Yo, there was almost a war started, but I put up a white flag and I didn't involve myself. Je net almost threw me with a dumbbell, my bro. Just checking, yay. We independent. Ja, bro. Ik sta voor ons vrouwens. That's how she was going on. Fucking doing this in the screen. Yay, yay, yay. Yeah. I don't think so. I haven't been outside my house yet. I don't think so. Really? Ming Dang, nog nooit die bra. Line. Jesus. Crap questions the whole time. Look, last week it was like that. Last week I literally had to pile blankets on my bed. It felt like my blankets was wet. That's how cold it was. That's how cold it was. But this week is not bad. Like this week I only slept on one blanket. This morning after my shower I felt normal. Like even yesterday, if you would have seen on stream I wear a hoodie. Today's fine. I'm not even in a hoodie. But the sun seems to be shining outside. The thing, guys, is for me, there's always like an illusion when I trade, because when I trade with you guys on stream, I have to close the blinds. Otherwise, the lighting just doesn't work out. So then I'll have everything closed, the room is dark, and then I put on the house light and then the studio light over here. And then for me, it's like this every day, so I never know the weather until I go outside. Yeah. But look, if I wasn't streaming, I would have my windows open. I'll be checking outside. Why my dog is barking? Because my dogs bark for any random thing. But yeah, well, not my dogs. One of my dogs. One of my dogs is a problem. Like he barks at everything. Like they each have their own trait. The one barks at everything. The other one digs holes.
Unless you want to plant something.
Nah, I will take digging holes all day. Trust me, because when you leave this dude outside this whole time, woof, 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 the same tone. You just like, I can't. I'll rather dig holes. I'll close the holes. Woof, woof. I can't deal with barks, man. Like it's fine, but afterwards, just like nah, man. Because then you look outside and there's nothing there. 2 nights ago, I was on stream with you guys on the Discord, and in the background of my headset, because these are noise cancelling headsets, so you don't hear anything outside of them. However, through the headset, I could hear the same time, woof, 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 the whole time, and I'm like, it's nighttime, so you think, okay, because we've had intruders in our yard before, so I'm like, okay, cool, get ready. Go outside. Don't you think it's a cow busy shitting on my driveway? So he's barking at a cow, bro. He's look here. The Owens from Walmart Township bring the cows to come graze on our lawns. I'm serious. Like it's they bring the cows from there, bro. You'll see. Okay, let me tell you a funny story. So you know where Strandfontein is? Surely, there by that Cecil, on your way to the border. So you check that long road. There was this one night, me and my brother's driving. It's dark, there's no lights, it's raining heavily, it's load shedding. For people from outside South Africa, it's load shedding. That means the government blew out all our candles here in South Africa. Right? So they come, blow out the candles, it's load shedding, there's no lights in the road. However, that cow is from the township is walking across Strandfontein. Bro, I almost knocked one cow. I get home, shove. Next day, I see blood all over the side of the road. Apparently, someone did hit that car, and the begies that stay in the bush, there by the graveyard, slag that cow same time there, bro, and took it. Wild. Wild, bro. Wild, wild, wild. Bro, they trade. How does the sheep go? How does the sheep go? Oh my word. Yeah, bro, so it's for me, my dogs, as long as they don't bark, it's fine. I know they're dogs, they must bark, but it just comes to a point where it's like, if it's a consistent, I was like, come on. Then I'll have to bring the brown one inside. But I also feel like they do it on purpose because they know if they bark a lot, I'm gonna bring them inside the house. My dogs hate being outside, so they'll try anything to be inside. My dogs will literally hide behind couches, like they become like a scaly ninja and hide behind a couch, just so they don't go outside. Bro. Howls. Listen what Lowell says. Oh my gosh. Yeah, those huskies. So they scream the whole day. No way, dude. I would go mount. I love dogs, but I'll go mount. I'll put. Yeah, how does the husky bark? Someone came here. How does the husky bark? Only dolls will know. Only dolls will know. He's in the zoo. Where is he? Nolan, how does the doll? How does the husky bark? Oh, bro, that was beautiful. Nice. Nah, my battery's popped now. I'm not gonna say that again. I'm not gonna say that again. Guys, just regarding gold, you can see I'm chilling. I'm waiting for the setup. That's simply because we haven't driven yet. Pippers and dippers, you'll be back. There's literally 20 pippers and dippers. That is wild. How do they know when I'm gonna take a trade? Besides the fact that they have their own groups that alerts them when Miles is gonna take a trade. Not again, nah, not again. The only thing I see now is buys above here. This is null and voided the situation. So the only thing is either sells here or buys it. Let me just out for you guys. Wait, 1 hour? No, 100%. That's why I see the buys more so than the sells until the sells can get out to that level. Just because of that level at the bottom. So for me at the moment, let me just move. One thing about me, you'll notice I can't stand when charts have so much clutter on it. So for me, it's only going to be aggressive buys there or aggressive shorts there. Whatever happens here doesn't matter. Reason being, that is a 4-hour liquidity zone. You see that? This is 4-hour supply demand at the moment. So until this can turn into supply, I can't sell it. Until this can reject off demand, I can't buy it. And that's only going to happen here. So what happens in this area right here doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's just gotta be patient and wait for a setup. I'm gonna stream till 12, guys. If I get a setup in the next hour, I've got a trade. If not, no trade for me. How many? We did 3 trades this week, so we've won all of them already. So we set for the week. I mean, we're 10 pips short for next week's target. So nothing has to be forced. I mean, tomorrow is another day as well. I can take a position tomorrow with MFX members. So guys on YouTube that want to trade alongside us, be part of the team, level up your trading, get mentored by me. Just join the mentorship group before prices go up very soon. Very, very soon. Get it while it's still at this $47 mark. Last year June was actually a bit sluggish. No joke. Nah, I'm really being serious. The biggest month last. Uncle Rob's, when did I have the 100% win rate? When was that? Last year August. Last year September. Let me see my journal.
It'll be that year.
August. Yeah, last year August I had a 100% win rate, and we absolutely. Was it 14 trades in August, no losses? I think something like that. And if I'm not mistaken, June was a slow month, Uncle Rob's.
Yeah, man, I'm taking leave.
I'm just studying the statistics. What happened last year? Statistics. Okay, June wasn't bad. Nah, June wasn't bad. Yeah, that wasn't bad. Yeah, that wasn't bad. No, there was volume. Got about 20 odd trades in June. Not bad. See, and yeah, nah, June was whoa. Never mind. June was actually a banger. But this is also when I involved a lot of German 30. Like you'll see there's German 30 trades here, 500 pips, 200 pips, 460 pips. Yeah, last year we dabbled in German 30. We milked it. It was very nice. But for me personally, I just do gold and GJ. That's just my babies, man. You can do everything else, but I prefer just having my two pairs. I stick to that. Yeah.
Now when I see a trading German 30, like influencer, scammer, all these look like that, yeah. But German 30 is a decent play. I've watched it.
Yeah, look, that's the thing about people. They think that if they move to an industry, they're gonna make more money. If you can't trade a Forex pair, boss, RIP to you. If you can't trade a Forex pair, don't even try and trade US 30 or whatever. There's no need to do it. Just trade large on your currency. Simple as that. It's simple. Is it still ranging? I'm not gonna look at it. Yeah, look, I think it's just gonna chill until 1 o'clock. I think it'll chill until news 1 o'clock and +1. GJ price action has been very weird. No, price action has been perfect, my brother. Nothing wrong with GJ's price action. It's just it's sluggish, but readable. It's perfect. I think the speech is going to be the, what is it? The speech and there was something. It was the monetary statement. I think the monetary statement will be big. Yeah, the monetary statement and then your speech. Those will be the two bangers. And then for then we can for sure. Then, but I mean it's been the same, so I don't really think anything will really change today. That time? Anna? What time are you working today? Sure. Lekker. Till Tuesday. Perfect. We can sommer gooien 1-on-1 as well. No, that's a 1v1. 1v1, bro, in the gulag. You know why I didn't want to do that? Because someone's going to search it up and find us. That's why. But true. Okay, yeah, we can do it. True, you can do it.
Man, you see how this man goes, man?
Look at that game. That game will make you vocal, bro. It's not even the game, it's the people that's, you know what they do. They say stuff. So I need to hear the footsteps. Did you guys play yesterday? Why? Big. What mode is it? I've had my fair share of plunder. I'm done with it. I'd rather play Resurgence or Bootcamp. I'm over plunder. I think the thing is you played it too much. That's the problem. Like we literally, it was too much. For sure, yeah. When you play Banter Push, yeah, for sure. But I think we're all almost done with it anyway. I'm almost done with mine. Oh, you can talk today? Oh, okay. Yeah, he only counts in his violence. That or he's putting something in the air fryer again. Guys, give me a second. You see my dogs have not been going off. Have not stopped. I'm just gonna go make sure. Random question, do you like spicy food? No. No. Me and spicy food, we have a hate-hate relationship. I hate spicy food. The spiciest thing I'll chow is wasabi because it's like a temporary sting and then it goes away. But like curries and anything all brand, no. I'm good. I can't stand it.
Can you explain what all nut is?
I didn't say that. I said whole brand. Yes, a whole nut is the chocolate, yeah.
So I thought you said all nut.
No, I said whole brand. Whole brand.
Okay.
Too weak, mate. Look, if that's gonna make me weak, then I'm weak, bro. I don't like it. Man, you're missing out. Nah, I don't think so. I'm good. You wanna burn? Like you wanna get sore when you eat? It never made sense to me. Why do you want your mouth to burn when you're eating food?
Thank you.
I can't. And my mate's Jason's wife, bro, she chows hot stuff like it's like it is what it is. You see that there was this noodle. There's that hot noodle, bruh. They chow it like it's nobody's, like it's easy. Let Darren tell you how they both burn. You like the taste of it? What taste? Burn. I can get you a lighter and you can do the same thing. It's gonna burn your back. You like the taste of burn? Look, I like flavorful food, but nothing that's gonna burn my mouth. But
Curry make you worry, soup make you poop.
yes, yeah, that. Like even KFC's dunked wings. If it's too strong, I don't enjoy it. It needs to be that more like soy taste to it. Then I'll enjoy it.
I can only eat those cold, bro.
Dunked wings cold.
Yeah, bro, because if it's like at normal
Yeah, nah, then it's game over. Nah, it's game over. There was this thing when we used to chill by Noel's house. There was this thing where you get zinger wings and then put the chutney spice over it, and you shake the pack, and then it's quite nice. But still, it's still Bernie. So, nah, that's not me. That's a good question, but not me. I don't know if anybody else chows it, but yeah, guys.
Corn spicy. Just a little bit of wasabi.
Yeah, that's me. I'll be back now.
You hear that mango cup now? Word cup.
Hey.
Sorry, I just went to go check on my dogs and hear what he's barking at. He told me he's just shouting Alan. Alan! Alan! Alan the whole time. Let's make 20 pips tomorrow, thanks man. Yeah, look, I'll probably hit like this guy. What? This guy. Nah, leave him, shame guys, leave the guys. Tomorrow I won't be on YouTube Ming Dang, it will just be for the private MFX members. So if you want to catch 20 pips, you'll just have to join the group. Away bro, waar bly jy in SA? I'm from South Africa. Port Elizabeth. It's not Ming Dom, it's Ming. Aye man. Aye my Jordan. Don't lie. He's lying. Yeah, I'm from Kaburga. Where are you from? Yes, why? I'm so scared to tell people where I live. This people's gonna come to my house. Come on, do something. Someone poke gold with a stick. Bro, nothing's going on. You know what? Do you make more money on trades or mentorship? Wow. I really wish that my mentorship could. I really wish one. Just as much I do it. I would make this whole YouTube get a heart attack. I really wish my mentorship could bring in 6 figures. That would be just sick. That would be great. to see something? Carmel? Carmel, do you want to see something? Can you see that? Can you see that? Focus, camera, focus. Yes, don't focus.
I'll just send the phone to him.
Yeah, I'll send it to the group, but I mean on. How will I send it on YouTube? This is where the brother want to ask me something. Imagine I made this money off mentorship. This is in one trade, my brother. This is in one trade. No, leave it. Might as well be right. Basically, same thing except you have no responsibility. I don't really understand what you're saying, my brother. I can't read. What is that? Don't focus. Don't focus. I'll send it to my members, but they know. Like they know already. I don't really understand the might as well part. But yeah, on yesterday's trade we made about R1, and then off the mentorship I also made about R1. Yeah. So I think I can buy a Lambo tomorrow with R1. Percentage wise, we did high numbers last month though. Percentage wise was crazy. I think last month was the best month of the year actually. Percentage wise, we did. I think we did near to 20% last month. It was like 17-18%. Yeah, but it's also nice to just like let them know like I'm not a person to flex, but just this is something in Yana, you know, just something small in Yana. Signal service equals higher risk. If you're wrong, you cop a flogging. With mentorship, there is no downside. You are just teaching. I don't offer. No, wait, don't put it on. Wait, don't kick him, don't kick him. So what I provide is I teach people how to trade, and then they can trade alongside me, because that shows transparency. It shows you how I implement what I teach on a daily basis. That's what I do. So there's no risk at all. There's no risk at all. There's risk if you're not being transparent with your people. But because I am transparent with my people, there's zero risk. I'm an open book. If they want to know how much I make, I'll tell them. As simple as that. Everybody knows now. Probably the whole world knows what type of trader I am. And that's why it might give people heart attacks. I'm a 6-figure trader. I've been so for 4 years now, 3 years now. I've been trading in the industry for 7 years. Some people's gonna get a heart attack. You know, some people it's normal. For me it's normal, because it has taken years to come to this point. And this is only the beginning. Follow the journey on YouTube and you'll see me between 7 and 8 figures, because that's where we're going. Will it take time? Yes. Am I gonna get there? Yes. Are you gonna be here to see that? I don't know. Do you want to trade the way I do? Join the mentorship. Do you want to be mentored by me? Join the mentorship. As simple as that. Then maybe you'll then be focused on more constructive things, like how do I as Carmel make money, instead of worrying about how much does Miles make. Because I can tell you what I made last month. It's not going to change your life. But if I show you how I trade, that's going to be the difference. So that's what we portray on YouTube. We show people how to trade for free. I never asked how much money you make. Brother, did you read your question? Do you make more money on YouTube or mentorship?
Oh,
You're indirectly asking how much do I make. Which means that because you look, I've had the company now for 4 years. I've been mentoring people for 4 years. YouTube I started in, let's say, March, because it was like the end of Feb. It's impossible to get to 6 figures in 3 months. So they already, like, it answers your question. Charles, see what 30% pass rate in school is doing to people. Yo, yo, you guys chose violence today. I'm still being nice here. Yo, my mods, you guys are killers, bro. No, I doesn't. If you make more money with mentorship, well, you're not really a trader, the good one. If you make more money from trading, well, then you're a true trader, for sure. But you're asking me the question, so then you look at my screen and you see what I've done. Can I pull my journal out? No, fuck that. Then you look at the screen. Stream record 88%. Record for the month 100%. Doesn't even, like, you don't even need to ask that question. And if you were a true supporter, you'd not take the trade, but you'd see the trade every day. You'd see it. And I don't think the question would be asked. Camel. But anyways, boys, we seem like we have low volume. I'm gonna chill you till 12. I'll chill till 12, but I'll probably jump onto Wordle. Depending how quickly you guys get it. Someone reads books here, so they get these words flipping quick. Nah, I think that's the same thing. What? Oh, sorry. It's not pios. It's pronounced pies. I got a lecture yesterday, and I was like, "That's my thing. The only pies I know is just taking kidney."
Yeah, for sure. This Greek pies.
Nah, Bartholomew Dyson, Rumpelstiltskin. Oh, that's weird stuff. I don't know what this bro is on about. But I think, what did I just do there? I think around, let's say, 11:45, we'll jump onto Wordle, then come back to the chart till 12, and then after that I'll call it. There's just no volume today, boys. I can clearly see it. Like, there's just nothing happening. You'll probably see volume in New York. Oh, and I'm hungry. I also feel like someone is cheating in Wordle. There's no way you guys are getting it like on the first try or second try. How do you guess pies? How do you guess pios? Nah, it just doesn't make sense to me. So we need a new game. If anybody can think of a new game that you can play online, let me know. And also not that pixel letter thing. That I think that was too complicated for our brains. Bro, are you part of the COD server? What do you mean? The link is in the Telegram. Bro, we literally, like, all the members play Call of Duty together. Aye, and someone just share the link in the group again so someone can join. What? My journal. Yes, this is my journal. But Charles' journal has the pop downs that stay there. So you can use Charles' journal or you can use mine. It's up to you. Yeah, it's in the group already. Yeah, it's Charles. Oh, there we go. That's the link. That's the link to Discord there for Call of Duty Summer. Who doesn't have a journal? Who doesn't have a journal? It's there. It's there. It's there. It's there. The journal's there. It's there. We can do lunch tomorrow if you can. What do you want to eat? Peanut butter and bread.
I want Jack Bagels.
Check your eye, Lekker Jack's Bagels in Neisner. It was, but I told him to change it. I told him to take the. It was a chicken Evo. It was a chicken Evo and bacon bagel. Oh my gosh, it was amazing.
The honey mustard.
With the honey mustard, yes sir. It was life changing. Where's Paul? Is Paul here? It was amazing. That was great. Great, it filled the spot. What is going on in the chat? Are you guys arguing? What? Cabo, relax, brother. Relax. What is going on here? A doctor teaching. Cabo, do you like? There's nothing trading related about that, so it's okay. Just relax. How did we go from learning to trade Forex to shouting who's doctors here? Oh yeah. Yeah, you can, yeah. Yeah. But chicken Carmel, while you're here, just subscribe to the channel and like the stream. Then you're forgiven. Lucky, what was an analogy Jordan brought yesterday? Yeah, for sure. For sure. Nah, they don't. Nah, it's not. But people like to cry. You know, no offense to my country, but I first thought it was a South Africa thing that people are cheap. I realized everybody around the world is cheap. Everybody is cheap around the world. It's actually crazy. They'll rather waste $47 on buying a challenge thinking they'll pass than spend it on investment to themselves. Pay. No, shame, leave it. But guys, as you have seen today, we are just not with the volume today. There's just no volume today, my brothers. Yeah. But hey Zeus, thanks for standing strong. You are a true MFX member. How do you... Yeah, it's like... What? How can you explain pain?
Yeah, but it's like saying I dare you.
Yeah, it's like that, yeah. Yeah. It's like bet. Like bet.
Say that word, I'll show you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I promise you, with you being in the group, my brother, you're gonna learn so many new words. you're gonna have the whole cultural experience, my brother. There he says bet. Wild. There, you guys are wrong, bro. You guys are wrong. That dude's cheeky. Hey, what's going on? what's going on? Nah, my mods. My mods.
Only 60 seconds, guys.
Only 60 seconds. Okay.
Yeah, not personal.
There was a.
It was literally an example.
I put Mayfair in a 48-hour timeout yesterday. A yearly ban. Oh, that's funny. Guys, I'm gonna jump to Wordle. Yeah, you can, yeah. Yeah. W moderation. Nah, Shame, I must give it to you guys. You guys are doing a great job. My mods is doing a great job. There's no need for Nightbot because I have you guys here. Thank you for the support.
You pick a custom in.
I wish I told also.
What is like a Robbie thing every day? This light is just clouds. The mods are better than Nightbot for sure. For sure. Okay guys, I'm gonna jump to Wordle. There's nothing happening in the charts as you can see. YouTube, if you had any questions, let me know.
Before you do, what can I buy now?
You can buy 5 smacks here. Ask me nonsense. When they put you in the timeout like Carmel, you ain't even gonna go have a chat there. You see, why are you speaking about doctors? I don't know. Mods can't put each other in timeouts, eh?
Yeah, you can't side with them in.
Look, you tell me when you're gonna do it, Darren. Then I'll remove him as a mod. Then you dial it. Then I'll make him a mod again. In Okay.
You can report,
Let's do this Wordle, and then we'll get back to the charts for a bit. See what you guys can possibly predict in New York, and then we'll take it from there. We'll probably end the stream like at 12, but guys, we've obviously been on the charts. There's nothing happening. More than likely going to see volume in New York. Am I going to trade that? No. That's just going to be a no trade day for me. I'll be back on the charts tomorrow with the MFX team, and yeah, we'll trade that as well as accountability call. So Uncle Rob's, Jordan, Charles, you guys can help in this Wordle, so we're not going to be here till tomorrow. The first word I'm going to say is Forex. You feel special, Jordan? So I did it on purpose. You can be like, yeah, I'm one of that others. I don't think she's here. Okay, R is in the right place. E is in the word. What is the word? I'll let you guys guess because you guys are good at this game. Hmm. Why? What's happening at 12? Hold on. GJ, just as we spoke about that. GJ, I need closure above the level, and then I'll anticipate a drive. What? Sorry, what did you say about what did you say, Zama? Sorry, I don't know why I put that word, because it definitely can't be that word. Sorry, bro. I was pressing it, but I was like, wait, it said the R is okay. My bad. Sorry, boys. I'm trying to do 10 things. Mark with the birth. Nerves. Can't be nerves because there's no in. Me too. I know. I won't even try this, bro. This is What will today be? I mean, how would I have gotten POs? I would have never gotten that.
Forget it, bro. I'm gonna find something.
Uncle Rob's with Perky. Let's see. Why? I wonder why does Uncle Rob's know about Perky? Yeah, what's Uncle Rob's doing with Perky? Perky, let's see. Let's see. Uncle Rob's with Perky. Let's see. Okay, he almost got it right. Jerky. Jerky, there we go. Well done. Leron with Jerky, Uncle Rob's with Jerky. Well done. 2 winners today, because I think you guys literally said it at the same time. Well done on that. Well done, Uncle Rob's with Perky. Well done on that, guys. Can we get W Leron, W Uncle Rob's in the chat? 15-minute close above the level, we can look for some GJ longs. If it doesn't close, no trade, because this could also just be a grab of volume. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna wait for. We're gonna wait till, let's wait till 12. Let's see. Let's wait till 12. Let's see, and then after that, I'll call it. If this thing just decides to run right now, it's nothing I can do. Yeah, this is wild. Like, you go from like a really high upper class word like pies or pios or whatever you want to say, and now today's just jerky. Yeah, that's weird. No, man, Darren, why did you say that? I just saw that now. Yeah, you had so many wrong. Jeez, I can't even show that on stream.
It wasn't with me.
Because you participating with Darren's nonsense. Exactly. Do you think I can show that on stream? Good, nothing yet, boys, nothing yet. Gotta wait another 10 minutes to see what's happening. And also, this thing just drives, unfortunately, it's just not gonna be a trade. Couldn't do a type 1, can only do a type 4 because it's in consolidation. You need price to close and break. I'll be back now.
So that thing's in full head, right? One.
I'm not gonna take it. Otherwise,
Where you go, bro? Ta-da! I'm back. I'm here. I didn't miss anything. Okay, we're just gonna wait for this 15 close. Let's see if we can get closure above. If we can close above, look, for me, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this might just be price grabbing liquidity. I don't think it's a move. You're about an hour away from major news. Yeah, I don't think this is a move, but let's see. Let's see, I'll apply strategy. What CPI are you talking about? You're making me confused. What CPI are you talking about? Where's CPI? I was. Excuse Zama, are you on the right day?
My flag is green, white, and white.
Oh, you probably doing low impact news, nah? Wait a minute, no, bro, there's no CPI today. I'm checking. You think Britain is green, orange, and white? I don't. Bro, you know where the Ivory Coast is? Oh. Yeah, it's Africa. It's meant to get in the Euro. Ivory Coast is in Africa. You must not teach your children geography, please. Daddy, but you said Ivory Coast is here. Oh, okay, we can see why. Italy. No, no, that's Netherlands. That's Ireland. No, it's Ireland. Wait, who's in Ivory Coast? Yo, I'm just. Whoo, what is that? Euro news on a Euro bank holiday. Flag of Ivory Coast. That is my thing, though. Yeah, I'm. What? That was why I was also a bit confused. Like, that is the Ivory Coast flag. Oh, wait, wait. That is hectic. Charles, what? What did you study? Like, what did you study after school? Because yeah, he's a slim maniki young. Like, this dude's very clever. He studied Google. Nah, I take my hat off for you, bro. You are very intelligent. This man might get the cure for cancer as well. This dude is on a whole other level. Why, GJ? Why would you leave without us, bro? Why would you leave without me? Nah, it's gone, bro. It's done, bro. She's done, bro. I hope you're gonna remember what you're saying now. Call it a day when you jump on for New York. I make my own zone. I make my own zone. Damn. Guys, I think that's us. We gotta pack up our bags and leave the building. It's done. The trade that I wanted left us without us. No setup.
Can GJ go 194?
Yes. If GJ starts to trade above 194,650, did someone really ask that? A should tap into 195, yeah.
Pretty well on.
But you got news in an hour for pounds, so yeah, now's the time when you pretty much just pack your bags and wait till after news. But then again, I won't be trading. Bon voyage. Comment ça va? Hectic. I learned something today. Okay. Okay. Now we know our countries.
Oh, ew.
GJ. I don't understand people that come into the chat and they just say something like GJ, gold. No, what? No. What must I do? Throw a party.
What they want you to do is to look at it and then take a trade for them so that they can make money with gold. They can't trade alone.
Mitsubishi, Nagasaki, Yamaha, Mitsubishi. Is it Mitsubishi? Yo, GJ is gone. Gone, gone, gone. Mitsubishi. Nah, what's stuck in my head now is I am ANC. It won't get out. Can I please play this for you guys? Because I don't want to be the only one suffering, you know? Ask Jordan. Ask Jordan. This video won't leave my head. This video will not leave my head, and I need it to get out. It won't leave my head, bro. It's stuck in my head the whole time. This one and why you coming fast, bro? Hey, my boy. First of all, I'm not your boy. I'm your father. Just found your channel. Wanted to ask, do you think that gold could sell to 2080? I don't know, my brother. Where is 2080? 2080. Sorry, let me just phone Trump quickly. Ahoy. Ready now? 2080. Mal. I am ANC. Wow. Sorry, sorry, Dad. Oh, wait. Sub to the channel, like the stream, watch me every day, and you'll learn how to trade, bro. It is there. Oh, sorry, it's. Oh, you know what? To get a proper understanding, click on that Patreon link and sign up and be a member. We'll teach you how to trade properly. Because you need more than just YouTube. Sell now, we're going. Okay. Oh, Oh, is it, should I sell now? Okay. Hello, Trump. Okay, for a sec. Okay, for a sec. Okay. No, yesterday. Oh shit! Wait, am I understanding wrong? Are you in a sell from 2080, or do you want to sell to 2080? Gee whiz! If you in a sell from 2080, yo, you must go to grade 1 again. Hi, you guys. It was a question. Okay, but bro, that question. Ay. You want price to drop? Jesus. How long have you been trading for? We're here to help you and make cut of you at the same time. That's part of the mentorship. Fucking over 20,000 pips, nigga. Guys, gold closure below the level, we sell it down. Closure below the level, we can short on gold. Targets will be 2304 and 2300. You can also add in 2302. Thank you. It's not the only. Oh, bro, it's in my head like the whole time. What's that? Laugh for me. I am AC. Fuck, it's only in my head. Nah. That's why I needed to close. I need the 12 o'clock closure. I've been trading for about 2 years. I ain't taking a trade to 2080, but there's a good chance it could sell to that downside heavy. No, there's not a good chance. I'm not gonna lie, there's no good chance. For you to predict 20,000 pips, there's no good chance. In that 2 years of trading, are you consistently profitable? Are you a full-time trader that's trading consistently profitable?
I can predict the same thing. I say it's gonna go up to 2500.
I can tell you what I'm gonna predict. I'm gonna predict after this, I'm gonna have oats with 1 banana and lactose-free milk, and I'm gonna eat TP on that. I'm gonna slap that oats, bro. 68% win rate. Now I know why you're asking the question. Now I know why you're asking me the question. But let me help you, my brother. Click on the link, join the mentorship. I'm gonna groom you in how to be a proper profitable trader. Then we'll check that win rate move. You can flip that 60 way around. Put the 8 in front of the 6. Now I'm getting flamed, bro. We show you love. Like I'm being dead honest with you. I'm not here to drop kick you or whatever, bro. Don't waste your time. Join the mentorship, you'll be sorted. Or don't even, if you don't have money, don't even do that. Just watch the live sessions. DXY likely to turn now? Oh, okay. Tango. Donald Trump. I am AC. I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas in it. Ooh, GJ. $47. Highball gold better go to 2080. You think $47 is enough? Ah, is a lot. Hectic. $47 is too cheap. Price going up very soon. I am ANC. 8 minutes for closure. Let's check what's cracking, boys. GJ is boop. GJ is just gone. GJ has, what is this now? Yeah. Can I? No, 100%. Who lives in Gqeberha? Who lives in Port Elizabeth, Gqeberha? $47 for us South Africans is a lot. I'm also from South Africa, by the way. Can't get bread and milk. Can't get bread and milk for that amount. That is the problem. All you want in life is bread and milk, and that is why you'll only eat bread and milk for the rest of your life, because you don't invest in yourself. You gotta get outside the box. Think further. Invest in yourself, bro. Don't even take my course. Please don't take my course. Go do another course that's gonna work for you. Nah? Do that course. Wait. Do that course, and then see. Invest in yourself, my guy. You can't be if I look at 1,000 rand, I can buy bread, I can buy panties, I can buy. No, bro. No. You have to sacrifice in order to get to the next level. So don't take my course. Go do someone else's course that trades maybe as good as I do. Go do their course, and then crux of the matter is invest in yourself. So don't take my course. Go invest in yourself. Don't worry about $47, my guy. Don't worry about bread and milk, my guy. Wrong mindset. Very wrong mindset. Oh yeah, that's what I was also about to say. That's the thing for me, boys. It's not about people want it quick. They want quick signal here, quick signal there. Bro, that's gonna feed you for today. Perfectly said, Simo. I teach people how to change their lives, and I've done that countless of times with my members. Yo guys, I am hungry.
Teach him how to swap.
For those on YouTube, is anybody from Port Elizabeth? Not you. Wait, who said that? Oh, Jordan. Nah, you from ANC. You're right, $47 and shit, but I ain't paying $47 when I'm making cash. Yeah, if you're making money and your strategy works, why are you here? I don't get it. And you have a 68% win rate, which according to you is good. Why are you here? 100%. 100%. Hey bro, I'm in GQ. Casey, send me a message. We have an event coming up. Send me a message. But you'll see it all over my social media anyway. Send me a message. Nah, I almost thought GQ was a click. Cool. Nah, his father's the DJ. But this is the son, yeah. Oh yeah, oh wait, tell your topic to shout me out there on the radio. Today on 5. I think it's I'll go with him. I think so. I think it's I'll go with him. I am AC. Hey, Nals, it's your birthday today. No, it's not. Never mind. That's not vicious, brother. The event is a 1v1, me and Darren in the ring. Lekker. Will do, bro. 100%. Got you. Three minutes. Closure will give me a trade. No closure will end the stream. GJ with that volume. That's just a no-go. Only option is gold. Pray for $1 every time I heard that line. Literally just popped in at the studio to drop off a parcel for him. A first parcel. And got back home now. Saw your notification now. For sure. $27 subs today. What is that sub count? Where we at? Where we at? 673. Damn, boys, we're moving. We are moving. 693. Ooh, almost. Should I do a giveaway? No. I like giving away things. I like to do giveaways. Guys, we need 7 subs for 700. Let's push, man. Let's push. Let's push. Road to 1,000. We might get, maybe 1,000 by the end of the month. Can we do that? I think so. I think so. Yeah, no, but guys, shot for always showing support. Even when we don't take trades, you guys are still here. I appreciate the support. That was at 12. Send you some flyers. Nah. Okay, guys, I think that's me. No trade today. No trade. Any questions, guys? I'm gonna call it a session. There is no trade. Nothing. Oh, wait. Nah, okay, nothing on GJ for me, boys. Wordle, you missed Wordle, dude. Today's word was jerky. You missed it. Fuck. So today's word was I'm not even gonna comment this, but that is wild. Who won? The winners was Uncle Rob's and Laron. So they walk away with the title today. Let's see if they can retain it tomorrow. But yeah, boys, I'm done for the day. No trade for me, unfortunately. But for me, as you've seen, as long as I stick to my plan, I'm doing the right thing, and that is going to result in a no trade day, a winning day, and a losing day. But that's me for the week. 3 trades taken on stream. I won all of them. Let's have a look-see quickly, because YouTube, I only see you guys on Monday again. Yeah, so 3 trades taken for the week. We won all of them. 74 pips called live with you guys. So it's been a good week. It's been a blessed week. For the new subs, we do this Monday to Thursday, 8:30 GMT +2 on YouTube. And then Fridays is for your members exclusive. Just a quick little plug. Sub to the channel. Like the stream if you haven't already. And then in my description and in the chat as well, Charles posted a link there. That is access to the Millennial Forex group. We educate individuals how to do what I do on a daily basis through a pre-recorded course. You can study that and you'll get your personal mentorship by yours truly. You get access to the groups, everything you need for A to Z of trading, to trade as well as I do, and better. That's right there. Okay, Fridays is for MFX members only. We do accountability calls where we keep track of your progress, and we also live trade as well. So that's pretty much how we do it. So for the new ones here, Thank you for the subs. For those that support me every day, shot for that. YouTube, have a lovely weekend. MFX members, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Terry, I'll see you at 4. And yeah, man. YouTube, I'm out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers. God bless. Shop. Yeah, I'll see you guys Monday. Zoom, I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers, boys. Cheers, boys. Cheers, boys. Cheers, boys. Bye. Cheers, Jesus. Cheers. Cheers, Paulie. Cheers. Cheers, Owens. Bye.